abusua enesoso ade ache a me ma akwaba ebe dwumadi ato ne din adom enkranche sami so ewa adom TV betumi afro obi no na fidi atoa na yatre nsami mu yenyina hia nkranche yenyina hia akwankyere yenyina hia afutuo na unya bi bo ntoma no a na de hye wonkwa ho na ha obi edin yam giso eye nita kotego me na me de dwumadi ho chia me no ahye dwumadi bi ase a me bisa se ede na atomi de na ha me onipa bi a wodum pempenso bi asase mu e ba adwumu ebia na woni a woni onsi su no adi nkan gya wo se me de what is wrong with me ebi obi awari aye kama wo de okoye wedding and say ya wedding at chapansam if me say what is wrong with me empo woni a won course university mu we school bi anya adwuma wo de wonya bi application wa twira wo application akwa se bi ade sumuna so so bi say what is wrong with me ebia na okasa na manfo yi wonani enya se wanu mpampa na enye o na ebia na bibi nkoyie no obi say what is wrong with me wo de adwuma wo yo ne obi anya empeja promotion wo de sound ho koda bia you have a right to ask yourself what is wrong with me no be say ho awie sa no ese wo pe anamontuo bi tuo na bi say won say a year from today and a week from today and a month from today or 5 years from today afisende nansa sende bosumi sende what do I want my future to be like me daach na me ne den yes obi agya me ho obi aware aye obi frem bompa efre nyankopon yi na no me de enyima no na de na metima in the future after me so ye be yi me mpa bo ano so you have to ask yourself where will my marriage be, where will my life be? It is a you are trying to create a vision for your life. Now what be someone say who will I be in the next day, the next week or the month? Me may wine. Nya what is Arabia now when you home. When you home so I told you wara but me nyametinde person me better than what I am today. At the Chibiano, the for me Kenya me home, na me nyanko so ni mpuntu amababum. To be to say what will I be? Ebiom say what will I be doing to be what I want to be? E den na meya nipa me pese meyo no. E den na meya me daachi be ya efe. E den na meya e be ma ware enso atumpon. E den na se meya me bom pa onyankopon betie. E den na meya ma adwuma meyo na manya mpuntuo wo mu. E den na meyo. Don't sit back and worry. Ye mi ni o, ye ya na mo kwa me nkobi, e bi hye ntuma pa, tuma go na efra me, ye kodwo aware ye mi de me ye kodwo ma ye. It is not necessary to cry or worry. The most important thing is to ask yourself, what will I do to change my circumstance? Then I may you are mesama brabum. What you inside the open? We are brabo, and you should take part in the planning of your life goals. Life must have goals. Except unya adisha and you do hunu wa brabum. Baby, I do a warrior call. Wa disya, we see kasem, wa juma, wa pomu dimpo se unya goals. Also, I never akodi aduane peche wo a won exercise wo a won na o se meyade wan de yare na bere wo e bia na wan kasa wo subane a wontimi nya wontintiri wa promu aduane bia ba wiase bia nkyene bia wa wibi sade bia wa wibi na ayade a wo de so bo obi wan kasa na se wo hwe abrabom se dia me die dia me nom se me ntimi nda se me hanhan e de yare bebere makoma majai e bia na we no yire no e wo ho wo fi adwuma ba na o TV achi oyere frewa da so he me dweme ho woni ni nkita ho bia ni nkomo bia na mkita ho atete sa odo na mo na ahyase no na eso ahwan na oba so timuka ase he mi ku de mpami o ade na mo yesa se otimi hunu se awade nkita hodie eye ade ehia ti ofi adwuma ba oh darling etesen efie tesen no so aje so oh efie eboko adwuma tesen na mo adi nkomo mo ma behu se odo bi obontem won so anyi na asase ma wade enye wo na wonye nti wade enye no wo ye adwuma wo se me de menya mpuntuo de na wasua kan ya wonim no ho na brabo ye bu ade sua de bebre wo wiase internet adafo afidie so na wonsua bi nya wonim na wonim nti ye pege obi a na atefaako wo tefaako wo te wade so bo modern bu bra obi pege abrabo sunsumu honamani ni atenka. This is your life. Be aware of the truth of your life. Say what trans na bu nkompo. Sane abrabo mu boto. Yesin nkompo bu reflection, self evaluation. Edme bia me koy na no. O me so mo bi o me frɛ no ideas timupo. inspiration so be kenya ho ahye ho kran and specific steps so be tona muntuo and meeting target send ya can say obey no obey akopim ho we are monitor na we say ekoyi a no say de hu hia on pa evaluation and our feedback ni ame yi e de na he na ekọ ni ame kan he na ekọ ni ame dwene hu he na me ekọ very important say da biara adisa biara na what we biara bosumi biara be bun compound show nya new year resolution pe de ame kan de ame yo de na to si wo mu de na betimi de aka ho be yi e de na me mfa nka ho ama atosin he na menya sa de kon de aka ho e ba na tinkam kasa mu aniyemu any empo additionade menua wotimi ya you see no one is forcing you to do anything we didn't try one person we didn't try and two person just intro dia one aka say eh intro e bunsam so ban na so di didn't try bia bunsam because bunsam ya intro die ba ja intro die meye ade sefata be mama ka nokore e bia na ofo se wo de onom nsa because sha na mfara menom nsa men ko sha sa na mfo no wo ba akra adwane free ba ho na ko pe ba bi ko te se bia time be ko nom nsa na o exercise time be ko nom nsa na bia wo tie nwompa time be ko nsa na wo de bom paye e bi wa adwene afinsa nom so suban bia ni ho a woni pa wo timu a wansua sa na suban bia ni ho a woni pa wo ntimi nyamu de ntia ntimi nyamu ne se wo nya wa adwene se wo nyamu aye adwene de why are addicted to a behavior why are addicted to a way of talking why are addicted to a way of doing things and aka so I said there will be a sabe wakoshi wi aka wa adwen fro so enti adichi bia wonye bi a ho nto e fe na addiction na ho yaw ene me di intro ene me nka bi nkyere me ene me nka bi nkyere me kunu ene me mokro no ono na asa ugise wo yesa ade wansa ho ato ba obetimi agya ka kire ho se mepe bibia hye sa so ba me na namu na agya. Many people seem to forget that we make choices in life how we want our life to be. It is you who decides where your life should go and how your life should be. And found ma utimu and found man say den sanya den wo e na be fa timo poato na montuo akosi baby awaba bobesie woni minua. Many people resign themselves to living a life that they don't want to live. Baby ababa won bo won mpe baby ababa won bo won mpe sha ho bo on say on e amanyo se mo bo say I will do this meye we na wa tro aba ma no nyesa sha wo so ho bo I will do this for myself this day. Me say dey we ma me ho I will do this for my wife, my husband, my children. I will do this for my father and my mother. Me say dey we adwumam na me so magidin me kan some way me fatimo po way I will innovate me pekwa me ade foforo na ma brabo aye foforo me nto nchia akonwa mu na ho se a na ye kono se a na tie obi anwinwi ntime anwinwi bi obi a complain bi ye se atuka mu ye na je sunu twa o po umpo abrabo de be sakra mu akwa animu na se de abaya betimi atu anamuntuo ene se obi bibi soronko a abrabo ne je bebem o ti na meka na se obi bibi soronko a wabrabo ne je bebem ka kire ho se efi ne da ekoi me bibi soronko a mabrabo ne je bebem meka asamfoforo atomadwen proso ya mabrabo me be hyemi nkran na ne je ba mababo mu medwen adwen bi a be hyemi nkran na mabrabo ne je bebem abrabo ma ne je ne awreho o gina mfifi o hwe ni fa eye ne je benkum awreho ya na very easy so be fa awreho easy so obetete wanwinwi easy so obefu but me mfa ho penifa no se me akosua ama abna maybe bia ene jeba mababo aha ena meja wo abusua aha eya Adum TV enkwanhye na wotie free minute kotegwa na me de brawo me daase onyame nhira e be senhia
ye daase so wa hwe ye video me kai wo se abrabia wo hwe sa video yi wo YouTube no wo hu adoma na eda so no aye miaso wo miaso wi a chese abrabia wo benya kwanya na video bia ye de beto ha no watumi ahwe ne wa tro se wo so no so ayemia sene beya unua bi nso benya bi ahwe abrabia wo ye ne sa video bia ye de beto ha no wo benya bi ahwe medase
16th May 2022, you're the trading upon Yankopon as audience. So, actually, my main cow say you are on the biggest breakfast show, Big Dream, on Adum TV, multi TV. So, free side break up him say, non kuno air bono, and Kaye say is a collective responsibility. You know, necessary if any adwene o man Ghana ho. Na to adwene. Na Ghana to my pie person of frano. You know, you contribute towards that and to mana ebetima fair from my bibia kama edia my enti. Yatena see the under the able leadership of Welbeck Kofi Ampedu, supported by Priscilla, Vodafone, Anaman, Dachehine, sound for na camera and set designers, control for makeup, for lighting, for Edomunina ase, and after driver for Sweko Fire, one Eddie Ebiduye. And you mean one say, my main cow say Lady D, yo, and the pen I'm say D back on Lady D, yo, and also Abeka Yehua. Lady D, yo.
I can't say, no, my sister Sandy, you know this head in the man.
Oh, sir, Sister Sandy be a guy. Now, Pom to say,
I rather dumbness or their chair.
Good. You should have to throw in a Ghana for us because why this? Investment can watch them. Just that may we share the families in the Pebima or more as so far the consequences can come. Because that's how we want to live our life as a country. Inti min pese me kwa kunya daje kraga ana nso toye ana twifa eso ana nso na yesi ana amafo not kareshi ana go tele yafa so ana yenam na edede bi ha ebe kwaso ana mam na de bi asa why be to no ato because we don't want to solve the problems. We want to always every year lament. Near lament every year near lament ye be no so ba mamenda ni take ase and then abrabona e bore bia na makano de wa open alcohol 2% so yiri fa ode bia ezu bi yira fa okay o pese o de hihye egu akwama nso be to entimi nya bia ebeye eti wo ye Ghana ni di hye wo gina bia obetima se nipa dodo na ahyebre wan so betima se san wo hyebre bia meka ba bia dan mo nko ye we fie miense ni de bia da okọ ha saa na situation ti a wa we atazo kra se untu da no
if you say to me nya en sakraya na nsusan foforo e wo bra ye ya de dada
ti wonu a wo be ka kire say de bia from 1992 na am the immediate example in so to yiri bia aban no na de ahye na atwa na ekọ na aban fa ba na ahye aban no ekọ na aban fa na de ahye aban no wo so je wo ya na wo ye
sidan no so usi wo so de akosa baby aban so tin so fa ne da
mam ya yiri ye ho na ya nkase antia say we are part of the solution process. Na baby adane ye be kika yenya sana nad move for the anwa ne a blanket ne abese sa how am I sana wa just wait up this is the life you want to live and then nobody will force you to get out of life. You live that life. No akoso the associate abayifo e no oti ene nipa empowerment but you are the problem.
You already take a kind. It sounds so atrocious. Say, Nyankopon say, or the papa ne boni esi enim. Nanso Nyankopon say, me shall say, for papa no. If you saw him, say papa no lebe.
That's something I don't know. If you look at the Kazatin TV, chief, a cremofo dish abet na head. La wakubar, you could feel one corner, Arabic acronym. Evia. And Sanuka de Machina ho ye
Nyamiadom
good
me da se papa no sia bo pa ho sima miensa de sima ma ye mamu nyina chen yesa da se wo sha Adom TV bedwam and some no de se ne braso se wo tibie sa Adom TV bedwam kase ne todwa wo mu bi ya wo betini afana ana abofra kuma wanya mfie nkuna ni chirechere ni osaye obatan one ne tie de ne sa hye nsu mu no se mfoforo bi apie wo mu a ye de ebebramo yebekọ Nkranza youth ene abusua ya wo mo so de hye da fi aposifo abefa no ene wato na nanom nsie do no wo mo se wo sa tentene ne eye adwuma eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro sa Adom TV bedwam Facebook/Adom TV kase no wo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT said ensem ni chemo ankasa etie ebabunu ya ewo go so afomantamu e de atodwa chiremu sempanifo mrenimfo enafe asrafo ene bambofo nhwehwemu a wormo eye efa ochechireni ya wode akora wanya mfie nkuna wone ne tie ensa ehye enhyohyemu no omonhwa no womo anya ne yenka ne fie bia womo srempanifo so womo ma tenten ne nya adwuma visa akora ne nsa no bonkum ne de sa brebe bia gina no enye tie ne hu kwan so ochechireni na wo ye sa de wo fa ne ho tototo ensem ne to aso ne Adom TV kase edeba
nyanentie se mpanyimfo bi ewurum asore mpanyimfo bi aninanina mu pese case no omo ese case no eno ne ade a maburu no ye bo enye de enjo so enti eye won a ye de ma mpanyinfo kora na omururu that case ni no say even say eye police say eye asori say yesre wo mo case no ye nidi akiri enti ye pese sa case no omudo omuho ebiruru case no amaye
Mrantia hine ya wafo goso na nakwame bedu na wote no enka no mayento akase no so na yenko yensam foforo mo abusua ene mabunu ye won kranza wo bunu ismantam no mu enso ehia satenten ne be ye dwuma wo mo de hye wonye mfie duonu enso a wo ye multi TV decoder installer Albert Donko ya yese epobusume de to so duonu num babofo ba ne fie ahomache ebefa no bepem sa bre ya wato na nanom nsie do no etwetwere won wasontie wosampanifo eye hwehwemu mu do na afedie nam so ma won de hye papa bi ene wato na nanom nsie do no eno so ba bonten Adom TV etwaso
ne maame say oh sorry anajo no na ohun te police for around the fie ho na obi say police ni ba ko say ma ade de na mo pose maame koda ana oba ohun say omuni mi nya na h3 so fie ho ana oba around no tell me nya say de na akos no so ma me call droma na me ban Robert ade me phone ne me laptop e o fie mu ho me bedru fia police for abase o mba be fana kwa me kan Robert na ho so me nka ho na mam ka tento ni akwati ta won kan ho da bie puno no na akwa ne bie puno mba no mba section no ana mo fa ne de no coin ti o mo de ne kwa mam ta so mo de ne coin ti wana mam ye fast fa na tare se no di o ma ti na mo de ne ba police ti mam bedru police na mo de na tana kanta bank ye koya o mo se ampa akwa no ko leaf nti o ba ye no ne 2IC ne for down my say Robert case you call to bunu is na kano amode ban on arrival amode ne fit ngwana eba kitchen no na akana o mabonitu police na no atem so mo chene crime scene ho e na mo kai so onko tire mo bia ne squad na wo nti odo mo ko no na Robert no sha se no mo shuti so mo shuti na no to ne kan mi nua no
Assemblyman ya wonu so ntranoa eye commander dina eguafo ebrim enene wodina no atomo bie no ntranoa MA basic school no awofo ne achechefo nkamum ko aye ne se school no omo ankasa betum fi se school ne tibie mu no enya de se twayi Adom kase ne mpanifo yi edin konwe
yare hwede ya na amanfo no behia na amanfo no besuanfo ye behia e wo de pen ma na ya agbo ho apro odo ye da akwata aban ne mede batanya ngasa so ye hia na afamide a ye bo he go adan de no ntra ya aban na asa de se school dan but mo from wo free ntra anwa nte be yanso ye ntena wa keke ntena na apanfo de pen ma de pen ko wie ne behia ye bo ho apro mo je da ma konje do na matota sre aban da common fan na ya mo mrantam na so common fan ba no butum wodi dem skebo to modan wada ya da na me and income generation assignment no generator property rate na central government to ababaji enti sika kakana po a income you butum raise the central government to ababaji scan enti na as much as central government to ababaji dem scout them no ya na from the biara chodo adima hen ma yetum na edi sese hen school ko sa akon school akure ne enti won wo ko sa akon adoye won kai no school na akure no so no mo ko sa akon school na adoye
Enran so Methodist ni Roman asori no ye wufusum kase de ema omanhene da Sebra Professor Emeritus Oti Boateng ene kwemmada na ya dani ya wotoso emienu na mpanifo twotworo ene fi akiri ne benche ye mampani abede akiri mampani kane amampanifo wo munyina so kwase bi Adom TV edeba.
While he concentrated on learning the steps and styles, the rest of us spent time teasing the novice female learners in our group. When they became smooth with the steps, they refused to partner with any of us except Oti Boateng. One could guess why. He had become a slinky dancer while the rest of us were still dancing with two left feet. He was an exceptional student. He was enrolled as an art student but also signed up for additional mathematics, which the curriculum listed as a science subject. He never gave the impression that he was having some difficulty with his academic portfolio. His class had some of the sharpest students in our year group. He was one of the sharpest students in his class.
Teacher for any school for was Sakumono TWMA primary and junior high school Waterman Western so one more penny for mu here bambo mu here gate visit school mu da dampan obi e ramponche ni nwan mu ne ade just say ye radio wo school no mu a bambo mu nsem wo ho no enya de say etwa ye school for ibi ene adom kase edi nkomo ye
e bi school we e hu sa mama family wo school ya den o say mama family wo school ye bi school na ye ka bo no so mabu na mo wiawia ye nyama ni na ye rufu sase ye hia mboa etia ban ba boa government ni ba take the school we need better future
senior school na akainyaka ye besan aye nyama na wa se ne be yenyaka be no foforo amaye na insuto a etimi yi differentiation like a prank for nkolani bi on ma mu de mu ni baby on bet na like so say nya baby ide enkora no ebe
mu be si school dying for amaye ama keji for mo intimenya biatina na de ya pencil on benya books any story books a betim de si ade
na bi ni ho
baby any stories some betim de si
Ekunfi MPP amanyoko mabunu ebibi ofuye papa fi se wo mo regional chairman de wo yere nya de se wo mo ebojo so se bepem sabre ye election register won fama ye na February portal so ho so won beto aba na constituency executives obey won so won sentiment kan ye won sem woni Adom TV eto aso
Some in the delegate for Bessemin then. Yes, rapping for that. No, edu, no vote. Osan as edu amba kumbi pattern. Ya baseno. Yes, and there. No, Tina. One day die at the bottom aba. Not one family had that. Yen in Abadan. If free pattern moon, they are set pattern. Osan ya with a pattern on your way your phone on your home. Delegate Yakoto Yaba. He use up here. Malaka who there. 2012. You called Supreme Court. You can share if you were there. Election was won at the police stations. It is that you allow the police station to elect the executive for our peer. Yes, will be peer. I am a quite mamma party in the man. Bra, never yet many a pedetta about to Abba. See, answer cadet who are the Mirik here. You want to a model. Obiano Bessibiana, Yananumaku, no Bessibialesi.
Menya no so na Adom TV bedwam kase Jordan opedie no yem fancy ha medi afia amankwa atamakro de adu so no the bonkrata no aye krado na online portals no so aye krado e wa ha ye de eto so na ye ba adomonline.com eno ensama hodo eno e twago e wa ha nie se we remain opposed to a Japan deal Kanema Penny John Dramani Mahama and then or this answer no buy into Adom online ukoma details ni nyina so ewo ho na fei Nkranza South MP demands justice for resident who died in police custody said the kasenu mo yede bromo no and also ewa ha Damango senior high school student nso ne akere no biso akowia tricycle and also the adomonline.com so obaha no mo a eno yede abromo ewa ha entertainment news also Adom Online obaha no so a eno so edemo ewa ha nyabre na afi wan so ekenkan bia Central Region Police investigates death of level 300 students with missing private part and also Adom kase say mo follow ye radio no ne TV ayati se ka na abono no so ye se kwabrani bi and watcha obana na simu hono no na se otumu say uko detail la just say wo mo de koye yankoma de ana bibia te sa uko Adom Online ya ne nsama fufuo bi so wo ho nti no ma be chira diamond na fi o man hene kwabna santen so kura de obonkrata me hu ma me say okura daily guide the obonkrata nti ma me ehunu de daily guide anopay ono so eka
me da se de guide kura no efa ensem ba komienu miensa ne nan bi wo ha ne mu kese pa no beka se bana caption no 15 assemblies blow 1.87 million Ghana cedis and say assemblies what western atoye mantemene western of na anu ya yete no sika tumi afa won sase ama western of no Ghana cedi no opepe baako echiripo eduowotwe enso eno ne kese pa edem ewo hanum se chese nkontambu no entumi amfaye na PPBS probe dofsu husband snatcher eno so ehonsem ewo hanum se ya chese krache yi nso a na wɔtwe etwa mu nyina wɔde no kredie ede obi ade ebedi ne ho na nya ne de akoma no sese akyede a wonya enuonyam a wonya insurance a wonya no eno nso daily guide ede aba kratafa no de etosom yensa ho nsem ha sese wonya ka no foforo kra de aka ho nti guide nsem no ne ebi ka ho.
Well, it was one say mempa if you are no mucho into muna mode baba mufiri no ano shi do. If you are for do na to the musi to no. You know, G 300 the 500. What's the basis? If you are for no yesremo. Onyame ya madoma mosisi dan ni bia. Hu yenso ayensi bi ne mobo because mututum just like that.
We are 300 yen.
Ghana cedi. They call 500 Ghana.
Single room.
Single room. Baby esa shekura na. Ye bo afiri afo no be say. Unya sa. O hwa no patutu tu na say gina obi do achi bom gang. Na what 200 difference. We had the money 2 years. Onko fa say scanning free fa.
Me wa renovation bi aso ko so.
Onko fa say scanning free fa. Headline be a credit. Uncle Fasa scanner ujia ko I matching we na ujia ko fear of bebre sa na modaika. Moti tabi ko mo say in ko jumate. Ti moti ta match be 330 kra na mo jira pro.
Yes.
Hey, too much. Nyomo we de yagitum, but don't take advantage and abuse the situation. No asa mani pano kra how na dream no abro so kra. Nipa do na intimate fi edida enwuma mu ne cars because fear of for time and then into mu na no wash do. Uzukra o yenkai da open TV o. Ejana bia o se tantan de bia do iska. Untia water be untia light be. Oso ay kokotako de bia o to me. Oh. Da mu due bu do fira fo ni bi. One day ye nyina e be jawa akona fe mu dan mu adem bodam bia ye. E kasa so aban so hu ye mo de bia affordable $100,000. E affordable.
Na ken room.
$100,000 e affordable.
And they brofo.
Me da se o de bia so so. The new crusading guy, they say, Oko MPP internal elections now. BBA di adanse say a free akoto ana AD eye inkunim. Ana fe House say offensive kingmakers endorse Dr. KK Sapon for the position of offensive traditional chief, paramount chief. And what's Anna Esla Swakasa, also our digital transformation agenda has paid off. Esla Usu Ekufu.
Esla, oh yeah, dear.
Yes.
Oh yeah, dear.
Yes, oh yeah, dear. Yeah. Daily Graphic, any man also Dasibro Tibuatin laid to rest. Colleges of Education hostel projects start June 1. The big one, nation spends $230 million on injuries. Dr. Freeboard discloses 4 die daily from trauma. Oh.
And no, yeah, the Akobukumu.
Wow.
Trauma there, not just a 4 daily.
Okay. So the Chronicles again, okay.
Okay, Chronicles. So, Ekra, Dr. Educhuma, no, share on many Homesia Honsem. So, and I work as colleges of education, which trying to tear beer, water tear church forum. If in Yamia Duma, Bosumi, June, I a baby simno. Makumako 45 any a war or may yes training colleges no mo besi abronsamiensa as abronsamiensa no 300 bed empa makumako ahasa na ebe wo mu acha se be hostel e de am obia obekwa akopesa obegentity se obeba be church ni eno edan chenso mpanifo mampani na be de chief of staff a wo mo so de ani de atwato komanda sebre otibuaten wapueye mantem no eno so ehonsem ewo aha na alanchamanten enso eko bi na emumu Chronicle no kratafa no de to so dunai ena wono so abobos wo ha na ohwa oman hewe na kwete say first na eko school no ubon say edu eyi a ba chart ne pa chart na de graph na ba beto home ene da hey ene say another constituency elections na eko so no se wo hwemu a obi anipa obetumi atai na chi ama se basel flag bearership ya wo mode wo matu wo ne asiso yi unim se kana Japan din wo
ye wa fe no nipa bi ni mo keka se
ebi na ekeka se no okay ene bra kan ma chi na wo hwe timetable no so na say Dr. Uso Free Akoto 64 total number of positions 150 percentage no to so ha mo nchemo no de kwa 42%. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumi, or Cheso, no one chrome cranium one, and we are 39. and a total number of physicians no 150 saa send Dr. Usefri ye nyae no na emo de co percentage aye o ha mo chemu na eye duonu ensia 26 and ono abochemati di so 30 150 saa and a percentage no eye 20 just say eduonu ho and na owura boache jako owura boache kan energy minister ono so unity okay ono so de no how much chemu no percentage no na che say 12% dumi no enti no na che say se de we na ebu nkunta na ano no ayeto aba na nka Dr. Free and nka odi nkuni mo ho na emom no agroneform ti we no de agroneform ti we no de beto misa no
okay.
Intino, yeah, that's a papa. I'm so well as a confusing system, no, intino. But my jama na kane. I na mama mona na to abaso, papa. He said, Africa, sir. Africa excellence in local governance, government service.
Na to atade.
Na to ata baby I will be a machinkwa. Koso na boy jumadene sa. Na answer na me mama yi akwasi wala se no. Na meba my jaw online also some who do be eguari moha now was a threat of violent extremism all is not well we must shine our eyes ye me nipa deputy defense minister and I warn ye no it was some oba myjawonline.com and also eguari moha government mourns with the people of Koforidua uti friends saying that's uti boatin ene oba pani a yeja wo mo kwan no eye no ho hye nti myjaw online so Ede Aba and a corpse of 24-year-old Cape Coast Technical University student found without private parts. And also said they are online the buy and then someone who will be Mr. Bramajo online. Now so I can be. They drew so no ye call na Professor Ike Wallace. And they are good year some atwasho. Agwasina boko dia
prof dey agudie mu nsem no kame said the bonkrata ni nyina the national security ora kanda pansem o ka say ensore ne mosque ahodo no obi ampe yes because the ekeka ko Burkina ne aman na benben ye no abonefo no ne abonefo sem no nti ensorefo no na ye pa bambofo ho mosque na ye schools na ye pa bambofo
baby e so bambo mu ye kese
to say enwuma mu ha ikure na ye nya bi because enipa ye dodo in no way nipa ye dodo nti wan hwe ya na o ma benum aya na mpataku na o mu fra adwan homa nti eno so ho ya prof
enti wale se no agudie enu akura when we ni ya mete say aso mu de bi ni ade MT Bechem United omna we ni oh
nti o ma qualify for the grand finale e be so Kumasi
okay
Kumasi so re fe bonya de si obetumi abana
it depends on baby awo it is all baby awo ni Kumasi na be hu se no board ya na nya den because from Ashoman to Hakra no 50 Ghana na am say all in the name of fuel cost kwasi enka de all kind ma first story no tuja na fe ye de sinti wala e de agudie mu nsem no
Professor EK
wala ne kwabuna sante
Professor EK
too much but we jama yem sese kakra so wa ma me yem sese me se na mekofie esma ka che fira fo ye guzu ti omo dem ti esu kan o me fa o me ka se ne me ka kire o me ka se ne me ka kire o yes yen kan
oh god
so for ya sorry ya eto de bia quotation de to me come on and so for ni mo de waka
okay we dey some waka ba kese be de ba ADOM TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dey we can see un sempan sa kena no pen so jaw within the Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekwa no kwanten coordinator small do sa kena no pen so e wo Ghana agudi e jaw hye no so ma me se nwuma ko ba simiensa madama o na abo misika dwetri men no pen so ye den komo no 18 ba 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the hintasima we chirin so tware befu a ana odin befu tware kuma bi odin kuma sa no manum enti abusua de ajapade bi sesika wo kwa jaw asase edan ne si wo betia koton fani na begu so tware befu na de befu na mum bet shirt di wa eya wotiri betia bom wadwun betia san hye ntia fa dwene kakra to nya sade a na waso ene betia san hye na mum wese na setane si ko na se bet woni gye de a ma ne nye 1x bet ene intense ba fie na hye den tuom kanyina obia atimi abone dance nti bomoden da se wo de ho betia san gym na bo ma niam atia kwedi ama Jeffas Health Limited so de Jeffas Edota hwe na ba Jeffas Edrey na no kweseda no pa so de mehwa dance here si only Jeffas can save bomoden da wo set me can do bia say infections bia on can bia gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fetal na so de po etimi to ase hye preparatory ebo ama pomodon sam etia koyi maka che da se Jeffas Edrey emanom bomoden da ko heba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ni dem a on sabetia ka Jeffas na boa ema niam etia tutu ye diama afi Sedimo gel and roll-on and midi one dance here diama the ultimate pain reliever gel and make che no bomoden da se do ni betia sanchem ope bibi e dia massage and as waist pains na teteo knee pain and how adwen na se wachi enum pedwan wa on set me ka Sedimo gel and roll-on and also ebetia sa boa pa open do pa 22 a obetia friend pain 02089686731 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on and paying 400 komo for Nichira Shaman main station na fitemanson sabetia ka Sedimo gel and roll-on omo ana etachira boa emena no penso yeden komo no so etfense jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step African Cup of Nations under 20 version friend say wafo no na ekoba say weekend Ghana ntiasem de na your first game your boy in Nigeria for the against the time so Nigeria for 2-0 on magro no from Vitiase na anenra and I say eye meme dan so yesande akensi no ne tos minute meeting time so a Burkina Faso for twa Ghana ka menu emiete kan back we chese we se ne Messi koso Ghana ye free mu e wafo under 20 championship against Kesia 18 to Jano na we chese Ghana yenko African Cup of Nations under 20 version yenko bi World Cup so nyadia ye betimi akobi e under 20 o makensi a o musimi sanse enra nyama ankuya mfama Ghana me no kase o msesa mkukunyam kaka area bpm e ukruma
to get blast the ball away as if they are leading, and of course tactically or technically they are on top, because if the game ends like this they are true to the semi-finals. Yeah, it's a goal against Ghana.
And, out of nowhere.
And I told you about how our defense
out
are getting
of
G3.
Absolutely nothing. And this is, let's take a look at it again. I mean, one-on-one here, and he took him out, and here left him, and there was a brilliant header by Eric Shade. A chance here for the Black Satellites, a good opportunity. This could be a chance for the equalizer, and it's a brilliant one. 1-1, the Satellites get that goal. A good strike from distance. Bender is beaten, and a lot of good strength here. The shot comes in, the goalkeeper struggles, and the defenders are panicking. And the Burkinabe still come forward. Burkina Faso at the death have eliminated the Black Satellites of Ghana.
It's like they are playing the drums and we are dancing to it. We should put the ball on the turf. And how, you see, clearly you could clearly see that our defense were tired. The likes of Moses Bauer from Isuatreman FC, and of course
ti wafu B under 20 championship no ba so e Niger na Niger for omo ede material backroom habeton no the host to ye but Ghana entian kwankwa anim ti we chese under 20 African Cup yen ko bi under 20 World Cup so ye free move deda nyade ya betimi akobi e dwumadi a ye kodi ye nimu MTN FA Cup ekopie mu semi final clashes etime santo dwano na no haso fufu chi Dreams Football Club for etwome kamiensa Dreams Fort Academy nu ana nura enso Bechi United eche Adriana Stars na do mahene team etwome kamienu a Adriana Stars for enso entimi yankasa Wasakins kesia etimi etofam mu.
Then there's a problem.
Dreams FC Simba, and that's the opening goal. Sylvester Simba puts Dreams FC ahead.
Yeah, Dreams FC, when you look at how high their line has been, the number of bodies they've gone forward, Ejanim Boateng holds up the play well, and Atifuk trying to control the game and play out from the back. It's Ansabochi gives away the ball to Simba.
Glasson Awaku, he's got York in the middle. Barnier is calling for it. Yes, he finds him. Good save from Kumsin, and that's the equalizer. Benjamin York brings the Phobians on level pegging.
Glasson Awaku knows that there are not many options in the box, so squeezes the ball into the channel for Barnier, who on the sharp turn troubles the goalkeeper.
All waiting for Simba's cross, and Simba delivers. And he comes out.
doesn't get so much on it, but eventually is out of the Hazabok 18-yard box. Rustum Senogba whistles for the end of the first half here, and it's Hearts 1, Dreams 1 at the Accra Sports Stadium. He says it's Hazabok on the move now. Here's Siraj onto the pass from Ibrahim now. Siraj trying to look for Efri Abania. What a goal! Daniel Efri Abania makes it 2-1 for the Phobians. An amazing finish from Bania.
Salusu again, the take of affairs. Bania is making an intelligence running behind the defense. Goalkeeper should be making an angle to narrow it down, but he stays very much on this.
That's a late challenge on Mohamed Al Hassan from Ibrahim Isa. Is a straight red card. Wow.
Yeah, it's a late launch, but is it dangerous to tackle and land on his ankle, doesn't it? More confidence in stepping out and helping them in defending.
Kosa with a through ball, and they get a third goal. It is Siraj presented with a gift, and is welcome with Hazabok's third goal.
Because if you're not there, the goal doesn't happen. Siraj luckily gets the third goal for Hearts and maybe put the game beyond Dreams FC now in Hearts.
Muntari's ball blocked now. Dreams take over. Ali Usaif. Here is Simba Sylvester. He puts it onto the path of Kakari. It's Kakari, and Kakari is over the bar. That was so close. The Phobians are through to the finals of the MTN FA Cup for the second consecutive season.
Judah Champo, we're ready to walk you through 90 minutes of what promises to be fireworks. So there we go. Center referee Maxwell Hansen gets us underway in the second semi-final. Before that is Aqua lays on the pass, it goes through the middle, looking for that shot from a distance. Just couldn't get the full blast of the ball, Paul Quay. And here comes Augustine to the near side now. Avonyo does a lovely turn and flick. And that is the first goal for the Hunters.
He can't move because he can't see that ball. Good pass from Augustine Okra just to link up with Agbenyo. But look at Agbenyo. The moment he cuts it onto his right, he's looking to strike the ball and hits it so.
The weather makes it up to Association Football. It's a free kick advantage. It will be. Oh, that's the second goal. Oh my word. Augustine Okra. And his shot was helped on.
But just look at the power behind the strike. Amazing hit over the wall, straight into the crossbar, but it hit the goalkeeper in return, and it's an amazing goal, super goal.
It's a close miss. Referee Maxwell.
The MTN FA Cup and the Western MIC Koswa, Biche United has a full for cruise to the grand finale of the MTN FA Cup. Nyamia Domina Bibian Bitrema 26th of June 2022. Ukumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na Sakins Kesen Betians to JBDH near the Unsun so Etienne Senja. But after the game, has a full 14 kunim Samuel Bodu, Kumasi Technical University, Person Supply Students, or the Nkomoka Create Messenger Sampa, and Niaje say Wetian qualified team to the grand finale.
They should keep supporting the team, and I think that alone what we cannot do with their support. I think it will motivate us and the boys as well, so that the final, I think the good thing will happen.
Friend say Kasim Mengel one also say after say obo a semi-final clash we are ready at the Amaha folk the dada.
They could not play, Agrana could not play because we always outnumber them in the midfield. And our attackers were very fast. So when we outnumber them and we try to possess the ball power, we invite them to come, then we play it to our attackers, they use the pace, outwit them, and we get the goals. I thought we were going to win, and we've done it.
Now, in that grand finale, what should we expect? Bechem United, they've won the competition before. They are going into their second final, meeting the super champions Hearts of Folk. Would there be any upset?
Time will tell. Let's get to that time.
The Kasim Mengel, Bichim United for coach, and our here and say, Odin Komo Aja, and they have the grand finale of the MTN FA Cup. I catch on the Sebibia, Mitrima, Bebasu Kumasi, Babanya, Sports Stadium, and as I can guess in the between top fame. 1x bet, I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet there, in fact, Hintasma watching say, bet with money that you can afford to lose. Ika Sebi Nyado, edit your danka, edit your light bill. Yeah, the Echo Hospital, young fain bet in your side, I was soon between she. And no power, Jeffas Health Limited on the Jeffas, do it a and a airtech, Jeffas, Remanum, and Ma and Sonum, say infections beyond Sakabia, Monsanka Jeffas, Bitian Bois, and Maniama Akuye Ediamon. Now, for Sedimo gel and roll-on, also take 3 years per Mepacho. Ultimate pain reliever and who na be eja no mo den da say ope eye reliever bi e dia massage ope say waist pains ne ko na fe nso kotudwa edwan woni wachi no mpe a e papa wo no mo den da say wo sabetia kan Sedimo gel and roll on betia sambo maniama etia kwedi ma obetia from 0208986731 na on Sedimo gel and roll on from pain for etia twenkumo okwa shaman main station on sabetia kan na fe nso temade enye na hokra Sedimo gel and roll on on komo anabe we mu na tachiri ebo miskadwetri emene no penso ye de sanhye so kwiti jao within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up and Jinamudi. Of course, evidence based representation to jao. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
So I should video say your thing. You be here one say subscribe, share, like it, na comment. Na videos be brain be grow. Se be ya for so and show. Adom TV, Adom FM, ya wode mama. Me da se. Afa na afa mu maye nyakoro na yemfre yembra. Ebusia nyinara mu maye nyakoro na yemfre yembra. Na se yemfre yemayi abawa ho se pedoza no anepei momo wache sunku. Na muzinize mami boatima the Fantido, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. America minyimda ajedo am pepepe into no yezesi. Na anepei uya enye kokko bia no mam. Mamufa nsam no ntwitwa we. Beke the funny face for some time now no months our best twomukoni nyina nshada nge very good months man ye hu the episode with no wife on your war ntafo Ella and Beles mother. Apart from that no so no ye kede okotwetwe true kada ye chwachire no kada asylum na brother no abrepa ehuna me a very interesting video be of funny face me pedem nyo channel pe bia na katedamara I worried about him enyim sisiala no say we kekeside no more updates kakra mo funny face na Empress Gifty o wa sorry dey match the praises no today, you know, my funny face na Empress Gifty. Okay. You are humaka. Why are humaka papa? Funny face. Yenyim baby ma wo heal no work kodrize. But very happy that ye hu there erizi the mujumezi. Ye wan koda na ye. Kakanka krada ma nyame ba ma atapo kra na za. Otherwise junjun di biara or marry yenze maybe on say dey no. We yini nyinara ozefi hono mama. Unti no funny face. We are happy for you. Now, mami fi honom na minyonko omonaija yanko Nigeria. Now, weekend the AMVCAs no okodo metre Africa Magic Viewers Choice Awards no okodo na Ghana for B-War nominations. Mekeda Jete Anan pusha na o nomination o honom. The man also na producer director Pascal Aka also award nominations be honom. Now, yeah, facing one na kasa fa one fashion no na Nigeria had they like why I mean so what for some serious them hey sister if she zama wa share kwa ya mama yezi na wo de hwebi na bra
na oh Is it because I buy you designer? We make you feel like say I don't do right. I just be generous, Mariana, just because you still be my numero.
Be president, just stay in short. Let me know you don't say that Lagos today. I like the good things from my clothes.
Olalaje mi ashake.
Una kasungala jano de waste time, una. Me I will fire bazooka, una. Mr. Money no de waste time, Mr. Money want to ease your mind. Say baby to find no de too shine, unaka. Show why me. Mr. Money no de waste time, Mr. Money want to ease your mind. Hello. You carry back a lot of filo. I'ma check a phone, no go de ghost you. Let it be what 10 kilo. Kumatingaza, Shina Sayon Falapa, Agata from Osapa, Funibulala, Nishelo Japa, Omajabota, Libi Migapa, I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Nishelo Japa, Omajabota, Libi Migapa, I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Sunga la ja sunga la ja sunga ulu sunga la ja sunga ulu sunga Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. Sungbala Jako Majubadi. My problem is I too sabi. But monthly for the pool party. I got out, ya dark bada. So you dey wine meaning. You know see Uba, ya Bokada. Shop banka, you go shop gada. Ele Sungbala Jaja Sumba. Carry your matter for head like Oshuka. VVS is on my neck, zero fuga. You dey puka, so you give me sugar. Cause you know you carry, you give me super. Ele Sunga. Oya ti mo pata biti konga.
You carry back a lot of filo. I'ma check a phone, no go de ghost you. Edu to be what 10 kilo. Kumatingaza, Shina Sayon Falapa, Agata from Osaka, Funibulala, Nishelo Japa, Omajabota, Libi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Nishelo Japa, Omajabota, Libi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Sunga la ja sunga la ja sunga ulu sunga la ja sunga ulu sunga.
You give me sugar, cause you know you carry, you give me super. Ele sunga. Oya ti mo bota biti konga. Uluwa boda.
Hey. Pocho meant no fear shabaroba. Because my casam, Mezi come more wanted meant no fear shamaroba. It's in Tarinya. Class. Fabrics, no. Some designs, no, out of the world. Actually, be who crumpy every song with that. It's a Nipano or Sudanano. Hey. Now, big ups to one more free Ghana Hakweni Joycelyn Dumas. Sika say no or a red carpet hostess or honom Juliet Ibrahim so muhun or honom. The Mara and Ajete Anano or Shejere or Kaftan Jere, black on black. Oh, but you can't say, hey, Nigeria up a Mazma or Kofian Peluso. About so Nana Kuyado every year biara at the MPCS no. Oh my, something to talk about. Say, Musha last year not a roshe. No Musha this year at a roshe now. What? Or maybe something to your phenomenon, mammy. When you because and you all the time was the fashion way when you feel. sometimes although beat wadwen or say be said na no nipa no I can't take fire, I can't take madness. Mauli gavo. Oh, please. She blaze there no. Na then really wakanda light ben or the shishan who kajina hodam riding at me. One more was a max na na. Please. Osmo nankosedi e bonsam. As the fashion at the AMVCAs or Sunday they killed it. They killed it. Into no what we are not the Nilola Gray one award best dress into no but na red carpet and for the serious into Mepedenka Ghana event one for Shemeu we are not award best dress at the red carpet into no the Nilola Gray on our OJ dam award no some nice blazer natural Santiago will be another na and some kakraba the marathon Osas and now we in the best dress for female Osas into no no oh my god oi the me puluba soche who did this dress Onyeska event organizers you know botum wa fa na nkote na wa pobi ama wa sponsor na we check them no be happy game because Nigerians no will tell me kadodo they are there where do we as ho what can I say about baby said into no Ghana movie industry saying movie industry awards no cry when was the last time me feel Saturday na obaye yom na munkomenyim na say munkomenyim mama me nyunzi nkomo onfa rapper Kendrick Lamar American rapper Kendrick Lamar home be catch all there oyaza we pray mu okrom hade na you hope the onye stars ni be meet up na yenye kwaya collaboration okrom hade do baba launching the new album Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers na yehudo wa fefre bi no yehuda hwanom na wo kwashia Kendrick Lamar weekendi ye hwe hwan na embrace sia
Mola Dodge.
Biggie bam bam, biggie bam, biggie bam, biggie bam bam. Baby be the finest, my baby be the finest.
Mbaba Kasam. Moponi Chowo, Stone Boy, Mobobozin, Stone Boy, Black Sheriff, Kiddy, Jackie. Now one more can one who pay more Kendrick Lamar Naznas. We hope they will make you good connections. We hope that in the next 6 months, no, you better see that when you know you features no. Say that my boy about one because Yasha you there, Massa when you umbre. When you umbre Ghana for. And you know also kakats na honom na waru no mansa na chede nkomo bi na no Debbie. We want to see something good come out of this. Sa Kendrick Lamar bakrom hade ya. Hwam no wonya no ho faso because omo Niger for no mu ko. Wo kokra. Me de besa. Kai, me de besa hwemanyim, o hwemanyim. Na me nya ho hwe. Hwemanyim. Na hey, Masa Kodo Kumasa. Debbie, Miss Bessie Ho. Na Makafa Temale and Komana Ba. Na Aswading in Arano. One Koshono. Aswading. One Koshono. Like One Koshono. Why? Like why? Now, who did this to Sister Fia? Who? Sister Fia Bosho. About Queen Solomon concert or Tamale, and now you expect a massive turn up. You expect a massive turn up. Now, so no Korea, so no what you most in who won do 50. And I'm an American. What's that can 50 crown or by a Zinde bin Yami, Portrait Yami. Now, Sister Fia, What react to some of these allegations are occurred over honom? Yensin can I share fans no one reaction to Queen Solomon concert no na yembrace here. Okay, into no don't have some marrying sister if you could show Cassandra Juma or sister Fia should have asked tips from Stonebwoy and Abeku Santana how the Beam concert in 2019 became very successful. Tamale is not an easy place. You should have the right people by your side. Or say, Tamale is a pedekwe show, making sure they were the right people. No, when Mr. Stonebwoy, when you researcher. Mauli, also if you can't do show at Accra Sports Stadium, what gives you the audacity to try it at someone's comfort zone without even giving it to the right promoters? Now, sister, if you're one more promoter who show no more. America obi baby some day. Abazintina, yes, you promote Pocho, no minimum. Mauli, I say stop blaming the people. It was a flop show. So don't put the blame on the people that have nothing to do with the light. Even the A-list out there sometimes go through that. And it's not the work of anyone. Maybe your purpose didn't do the connection well. Now, chilma promotion of Feli, Nala so or Facebook or by some reactions to be on Facebook. Na eshe za na oracle na. It told me that there were lots of issues, technical hitches na dey. But before Amazon's never brown no, my young question yimpa no 1 to 15 on na embrace see I. Obi way 50 pem pocho wobre man po masafim sister Efia well done sister Efia well done woman encourage you to do more, but next time producer managers and on event promoters when you jumani how can you organize a show in Tamale and fancy Gadam honor of the land and Frano more reaction on Facebook that he no pull surprise on you into one kasanya there to friend no go pull surprise on you Macasio no like into me event or be ne territory them sister if you are mistake saying but whatever the case is no you appreciate your efforts much salute the itumne kudri if you can crowd you to nana for playing kwatamali they can show what flop is in also no I as was then some tribune obokoye ate obokoye na as the day ends got as like we got them home we show next time for lessons damara na brabono what say for lessons who won't be by fine now mama you won't free sister if you're home now you want to pay extra with Black High weekend you one love kubolo what's not to tunana now a very interesting conversation now one love Richard there you as way pie beginning pezi that oh massa we are you one love kubolo
suffer okay and I may baby too kind and I also or she come say or comfort say me could do America may successful you may be school na me kwa ye bibia no ebe peke and now all the anointing oil gugu in same na all the bomb pam so now ball tongues be good me so that's right once the tongues so say o share ebia tongues no every 10 years no tongues sir those days no tongues no that time na shaba ranks mo ahete it is obi bought tongues a obeti shaba raba na shaba ne raba it does what say shaba rank shaba raba sada me tongues those time
and as I say what say
Sisiano, go the traveler. What was that? You be I hate to know better. Lyrics and the melodies were tongues.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Party after tongues. What was it? Party after party. Nina ka tongues because of latest tracks. Almost they can't almost tongues. Anyway, me go do America no school na nko yi. Ejuma sumenye. Because boss akawa. And I came back as a deportee.
That don't just say wa brabo be akoboy.
Enti ahode men na e wo ne tongues and an anointing.
E dey na wo gidi. Do you believe say there is a supreme being be?
Bisa. Me ni bisa me die me gi nipadi. And I know say me downfall because obi can say oh me ba ho me do circle. Me gi di say o do circle until between circle ni touch ni minim dia meye wo fie ansa na wa bedu.
Share. Mama ka se mi jo. One love kuboloza agrubebre. Say your customer ye shada ye hu. Zora kan e about all point to be on no matter sa. E wo bi mpo a friend o. Efifie also o me efifie mi che na mana no orugwara. No wa samara nyin ye menji nyin penzi. Mama fa wo se page mezi no mi fancy hade na me ma happy birthday nkoma Sandra Boache level 300 students or CAF University Study General Nursing honorable Asiedu say happy birthday. Me the best day mo producer Sandra Sana Kapo Masordo.
Abusia me di the Reverend Kwamina Aida. Me gidi say ye jumedeni na weni jiho. Ye videos ye talk shows need to make dini na. Na die hia me pa ne se na be ya wasabaka ye jumedeni no 24/7. One bell no where they punch so. Sa bell no punch so. Punch so biu. Na sa punch so biu. O punch so 24/7 jumedeni na. E shasia kikro na on saka and follow us and share the page. For commenting na so to no nyame share.
16th May 2022, Kwasem said God is working, and indeed He's up to something. Odiana said, Odi Jidie, no credie, Ahobrasiane or train, ebe train, na dako, God is working, He's up to something in your life, na ebe bem. Fakuma pananti wiase abaye, na ne mapanso liwechi, kase amen. Medofu mwache, ye die hia wa afisem komo chiche so da ye won komodie na ne komodie no die ehu mobo ya ntiase nim but ento say ebedi nkomo no bewie no odifo Joshua wo menchenti na wato ho ase sede etiefisa de bi wo ho ase de trosem kura kasa de bi wo ho na de ban no ehia ma konche ne mpaibo bi nso ade bi wo ho a na de ban na nya konche ne mpaibo asem ehia ma ni da ho Here ma say bia be kwabusuanim na akwa bisam bi so a na wo ya mo amasa enti esese wo bisa fise trosem krama ho kwan se bisa na wo be hunu bua me yefa na ase message me ko fise wadaromenti ena enya kwanya wa fisem so na ye din komo St Anthony Senior High School Samin Kancho say wote se wo mo bo mo ho safo hene say ye grade A school na afen so no we are always in the leader enyo ma no no mo de donwere wo de me se aya pebre na ko mo campus se kra campus no ma bia bi won kran so na fu ani ko hwade na be wo se senior high school no private ones no abrochira ba Ghana St Andrew for 0244 696911 and 0257 312-448. Now also koka grade A school for no ehonebo ho safo hene say you are always in the lead. Na HD decoder na ma TV hwa ye fe. Ama TV hwa ye de. Ana no kani bi no te se mikrom hoyi. Na ne po yititi. Ye twa nsuo ne ho pampro nyina de ye de akoye TV po. Na kwabra ne gina kire echim ko ha kakra. Yi akakakra. Ye. O asate ko he twam. HD plus TVT sani amani nyina atwam pedicoda ne bi ofie na wo hwe TV anope ma me kira Diamond Lady D yo ohumi o TV no so ahu say yes matiska to TV na me hwe TV so ati ase enti no so wo hono ma ese ope bi eto na etimi boama o TV hwe no etumi ekọ enkan tax exemptions for young entrepreneurs in selected businesses. So we are buyer, we are babunu na wankasa wetumi de wadwene aye bibia ma wahye adwuma bi ase a GR for some enkancho say enwuma bi te say mo amoye bibi nkakra won so bi ho no atumi bibi nkakra no de bone bra manufacturing obi nso ho a wona mabefo kwaso information and communication technology we ye momo kra ka we ho because obo ama information den etumi kodi baby and na afi agro processing mo amode ho ahye energy production mo amona mahoden de abefo kwaso ye bibi waste processing wo mo ne na mo feature ho esesa wo ball na ompe wo fie ho ni nyina yes we yes adwuma ni nyina bia na afi tourism no creative art and horticulture and medicinal plant more tax no exemptions bia aban enye mfiri ho nti yes adwuma we bia eye enkai ba enkrai ne tema 15% outside enkrai 10% and a northern region hono so etifido mantam no 5% nti fa ho hyem na tua na to no anaja yede ye omanyiye nsonsuo yi fa nkrofo ba de tua yesu ba no bisa o de otua ye de ode be ye adwuma no amfa anye anamboa na kidney syrup no aba e de ama mofra so mbetumi adidi na omadidi ye na obaye from say mofra aba no nyame adomom ho fe enso di agro no ama aba kidney syrup ba ho nye fe entra ho mankrofo ma ho nye fe nyawo e kidney syrup abofra no be didi boko enye me be di ompeduane ompeduane o man kidney syrup entina na didi enye no man kidney syrup na entumi emwa no Piwak Health Center for say woman nam garlic so aye dro bi edro no edin a omo edefre no eye 3p garlic mixture na garlic de ye kana sama metwa so o de number no ne ko pebito eye 0248 928 824 and 0201 00021 na osaka bi na etumi aboa opeye ma memfa ensi ha na masra wo se ukodwa so a sa nyuma efui uhia bi atobi na omomre esika na etumi fe ni nkomo ewo efisem so ene birthday ni do so pa na so mebo me homoden se mewehye munyina ede amam akisi mi chia Diamond Junior wate medase so awo ba na ode no atomi nyame hira na birthday na mebo me homodi Isaac no manyose ASP Sampane ye chief executive producer and entertainment host ewo Des FM no ewo bekwai mini abema happy birthday to you and we so happy glorious birthday to Sandra Boache who level 300 general nursing student ewo KAAF University College and no ewo Kaswa mini aba Sandra happy birthday to you na mame enkai brofu yi ma okakra ho na mini abema Isaac Nomanyo also happy belated birthday to you. It's still your month. It's happy birthday to you. Erade shouting. Erade no wow. Erade tina ni moncho. No man eti a obe wiase no. Unho so far. So happy belated birthday to you, Isaac K. Nomanyo. Na mini abeya semi ya odifo beboaye ni edi honkomo yi. Mr. Otie me making kai kakra. Odifo Joshua Ejei ewo menche ha. Enkomo ye chi no. Tenase. Biwasum because ewiase e baaye obi asem timi yesafua ebia obi nso de ebia natebia wo ano no na tie me hai o say dear Diamond, please permit me some space on your esteemed show. I'm a 27-year-old lady from Domahinkro but living in Accra. When I was in the secondary school, my boyfriend was killed by a runaway taxi when he was crossing the street to our school. I was so heartbroken, but after school, I was involved with a gym instructor. He also died through appendicitis. A doctor for no more appendicitis. Appendicitis. A doctor for more money and nurse for a couple of seminar men who know a nurse for any doctor for society bono appendicitis. Okay, you. I was scared what was happening, so I began being serious with my Christian life and focus in God. Many men would not understand why I wouldn't give them a chance to marry me, but through this, I somewhat knew any man I said yes to would be dead. Eventually, took interest in a young pastor in our church, and we spent a lot of time praying into our lives. On the eve, On the eve my wedding day, my to-be husband was found dead in his car. I started having nightmare of a man who would approach me in a dream, but when I began fighting him, he would push me down and rape me. I began realizing I had a severe abdominal pains anytime I met this man in my dreams, but I don't know who to talk to and what to do. Diamond, I'm afraid. Please, what do I do? And you know, dear for me, so me danema wolf is a dire so abemuya, cratchy ban with piano hona, while repuni, what sonemona, a banner said be answer any better no. Na na ya se enso ye ne ya medofo enkomo tenten ne tietia brofo no chese abaye o secondary school no ne obi twempena e na car ball no eno achi e na wone wobi nso ko twempena e no no so wo mo be ware gym instructor bi e na no so saa e na afede wanya obi a wo mo ba be ware one ne sofo bi atwetwempena wa sore dem a eda no wo mo ba be ware no na jono eno so sofo tene kam wawu eti enu achi no start se oso dae o hu se krachi 10 gram bi oba ne so no ne pese o moko a no wato ahye ne so no wato ne mona nani bete no na ya ase ye ne ya odifo wa hedi na akoye dae so mu asem no papa mpacha akwa aba ene emeje mu ama wo
me da asema me chada e chiare fo ni na
awojo so da
ene me ase mami
papa
ensem bi sei no nya na obibi free
no kure
enam se ni papa so mo yi o free Christ mo nti no o mu ne me bia nimtia da yeso a wasom e kire de ababa ne asase na brabo ena aba no hona mu na ni kru no boyfriend nya accident no ofa ne normal
okay
wa mu se bibi aje
aya na car bono
no car bono no den obi so be waro na wo sofo mu wotene kan wawu at the same time so no o sabe ware bi no da yi mo bia be push wa
asa fawo wa show ne wada
nenne no ho akonfo no wo ho no o mama o maboso mesem no en maguase
menti ase se o kansa
medase akonfo no tete no e sunsun akom ye sumai sumai ye bonu sumai wi ate se de leather be form ade bi ne de atorum enso guso a ekasa
okay
in God no say akom to me no a reality because a spirit it possesses nipa nyame agitum because a evil and yes aniema
okay
etitete no ne na nanom no omubu edibuo ma saade no enti e bekọ akwada na baba wa na brabo mu no ne bia ne maame ye begina ana ne na bi ye begina na sa begina no I want to atwaso toso mi na na miensa no ese de ba ko das ema
di for o do suko me de mete begina se bia obi a owo a ne mawu na ba ko bi de no akobo ho ba na wanwu but begina be me so chire man sa na tie eno okay
eti edu si ade so eti akwala no onam hono so ya ba ya we ye fresh we student but ye kon back ya wo gina de bi so eti ade na wo gina so no ye ne nakwa
I see.
Yes, because you're so soon, dear. It's a beer, home, no, and a demon. Me bato. What's that my young to everyone, maybe we said it on cool so near Query, we would tell home, Egun Sunimu. Nay, ya, mamma, the amount. It was a book who near the amount near the bonnet, and it was what it's on. A do that bonnet could a pair cool for fee, for your, nay, be bidia gia qualano, walk or cosco near China Rasta.
Okay,
near the bibia.
Omi
is so powerful.
I see.
Omuda ahini bi so. Ntomi ya abrempon. Eti school na wo kono beti makobi.
Okay.
So obi be ye ohene. Ye che na memre ofiri ne kwala abrem. Nenso wo school onu be gina P2. Onu be gina form 4. But we are oni mama mere. The reason why the octeso no. Enti ababa we shebre no. Ebi ye krofo bebre. Eye family no. Ni se ya o maye. Apama ya body ama ebusia no nisi e boss apa ne ma wo e wo fie ho a wo akwada ne ye nka ncho se no obi no e na du ba bia sunsum ne yiw esie wo maame no nkra no papa no eti wo be di wachi sa ti akra no mo se wo fie no obeso da ye no ka frache o da ho de sa wo no because e di kwanse be ma fa no It's one na tenka na so one na yema tenka ne ba. It is why that so come be ma no a. Ne sunsum no abeto ahye be ma no so. No ade so be ma no. It is why anya power breaking. No na dwen say onim onyansa or experience. We any experience. We demonic attack.
Abaya yi de na enye one na sorry sofo nkomo. Na enye one na sorry sofo mpaebo. Say bia saa tumenti ye bobo mpae na ohia odifo ana difo te se mumu binum omote we no mu ase.
Me da ase pa. Won se maame.
Papa.
Asofo ne me bi di agoro. Ye asofo no ye joking. Ade ta me kasa.
Munyina.
Almost about 90%.
I see.
Because now no, ye share your appearance. Ni ye hu se ya nyame you look, me look nice.
Okay.
Na a man no mo ba be pa ogie we ho no. Ye hwe mo so appearance. The way mo dress. The way a man no mo dress no. Wo mo no school. Obi educated. Ento wa dwuma bi. To obi nim honam asiesie. Ento wati be siesie no honam afefefe. So hwe sa physical aspect na. Ubeka tell say nipa no you okay. Why don't you okay? Very wonderful. Eti honhom na ti nipa ni mo no. Yes Christo asoma suafo no. Matthew 10. Oso mo ma ho fisu ahwode ni so tumi. Oso mo kwa omo nchia obi a Israel nyanko no mayira no. Ne say Israel kuo no ebi asa ayira wo.
Okay.
Omo wuwom, omo yare wom, omo no mo nko mo nchai. Oso mo nkotu ahonhom wone. Eti ma me chada. Say oben mo nyamfo a say Ghana wo training. Yeah, would you didn't? Send me over my church. I was saying screening in spiritually. It's your gift of a discernment. Or say me discerning. Let me show how. It is a 2-hour Bible. Young Bible. And I am feeling to Yamasoka. It be a one more for warfare, but we're back on the secret. It's young and the Macassa of what you are going to say. Your 4 beers will be a okay. Oh, yeah, okay, sir. Oh, be a okay, sir.
Enti asofo no pacho mutie odifo no peya ebia nyame adom obi kra ho a okosua cosmetology onim de obeya na rede ebeye kama obi so okra fashion designer onim de obeke kabo ma o sha oba ho se oba na ebe bema na ebe enti o sa asofo no ta de na ye chairman wa for border na wen screening no wan fa sa eye no en screening no a onenam wa sorry nim fefe sa kuma eyire ma also sa kodina puppet so a na wo sa kaseti adwamai wono so ofafichire ho na onye obi a honam watenkenti wo betwi ananya no na okay enti wo mo ba ya ye fa sa honhom aniwa no enhwe wom na nipa abre
ne bebre ye adwuma yi eni honhom a eti nipa honhom a ede nipa so mama nipa ni asom yo
asemo
ye hu ne fefe kwa me fa send people for the president so we na show mo party atade no mo busa and no just so mo ato mo no mo poni obi nya case kan kofi eti eni pasu no ye wo to bibi wo abusua mu a e hidi paso na utira nye ye ne be twon fawo e fa abrabo mu a mo se de wa haba eti ababa asem a okay ma me kira da wo ye wo bi a wa possess ye wo possess no e bi wo ho ade de ne ba dream Job chapter 33 verse 13. Job 33:13. Was adding na me ham. Se me mu ya won sem. Na so nyame akasa ba ko de to so mi nipa nwene ho. Oda yeso.
Okay.
Ge ni fesi ni ma oda yeso mu. Nyame yi kire man of God. Open. E so de ne fa deliverance bim. Deliverance de obi enu betuma ye free. Because to be benya be show mu a e deliverance. Bibia be show mu a deliverance. It will be able to make cast that out of deliverance bia. Yaji Yesu edi ntenom ye hia waje bia bio. Na subam wan ya wowom eni fie no me na wowom no eyesa. Ma me kan na ye bi. Ye won to be to say aduanafo. Won say aduana awo no. So ye aduane ne a. Wo ye dana obagu kokko ba kwa fam.
Sa.
Oh yeah. So ye aduane ne. Na wukun wo ye tuntum.
Na
yire tuntum am. Wuti mu nipa kokko.
Sa.
Enya na tinyi aba no. Etinyi ba ba se nyame ya. Wo ye tuntum. Won so obi a eye tumi na eyi no hodi.
Okay,
e na sunsun se e kraman. Doc. Ene e dia ya apam. Eti ye de na ra e ba be
fam.
Yes.
I see.
Esa wo ya asene no ye de na uni aba ko be titia.
Sa?
Oh, ye no correct.
Oh, okay.
Eti that covenant no se e be soa obi so. Na honhom bi possess ne kitwe bi na bra boy basa. Yes screen ne me bi hwese. Wo mo enu mo ye mpaibo wa so dem. Wo mo asa problem. Because oteto a eyefe yentu mama me fa sa ne mani ni agro me ho me oteto na o tenensa na wate ato yentu na me program London London Tottenham one lady a friend Mary or was talk kese power Seven Sisters Junction so na ma me no ba so na kwatena kona baby na me say lady na ate kona o say da me nti be many pem na me say do say me ho bon ma me na si penyo o say bi African shop kese wo London na ho bon woni mo so da na wa ba ne kurum e wo ayi o say kwaw na o ko tiefi e na tiefi du ya ne bu na si tiefi ne mo eno an ma me na geneti cent amana juma na man staff so on fan kwehwe na no mu wura wa ontumi na ma mi Sasagana did for quite a so afraid of Munina. Oh, and so we didn't buy in a Reverend Market agent fee, was fuel shipping agent company. On the mammy to the son of mammy. And I'm saying, lady, we here just player. You need something to say, a cat be out from you. And one rich man or had a friend and cancer giant. Yeah, cancer giant. That program was here. And I'm catching my say, as I said, vomity. Na bibi free umufi na aso dem ma be din ho more than 30 minutes e bi say adenti na menya na memra wo mo so za di mo no ye powerful no say utu no a na nketwa so udwane o de me cho no utu kese na nketwa no so dwane enti odue no de ne struggle be de was be wie no so dwane ma me wie sa deliverance no the next day ma me no hu hwane ne hu hwane no papa said the body no enu ano no
ne ho ato no
the body ni be free skin mu free mu eye dan wo so ya se hu sa enema no a se fast hu se bron sam no wapam because ye krem no se nyame ni obibi ya ono the father yeso e da bron sam so e pra ni bibi ya nyame ma wo so ho daye no wakwa akon se nya zentete it is a lady ya sa situation emene no na ye nua mrante no mjejeje ne so a beautiful girl or a nice girl any beautiful girl or the end is what say ade
yo ne ti a watwam ne say enye de ehire nyina na eska okọ na mani age di phone come ne ho de kire say apart from say we nyame djuma no wasa asua de wo hu say de na wo ka enton ne abusuabo ho asem de a kire no eche say onimano nso eti nyame bie nani na o screening no odesa ayi screening eye ni screening honhom fam no osan sunnim ade e fa abusua ho se because onipa bie fi abusua mu azana de ebe hawo no ahawo difo be ye dwuma de bi menu aba wo de okrata ne breme no Mr. Osenka Kobi ebi nso kra wo de okrata nya amedi mi ho na so nkomo aye di wa otimi ho se efi na sase e de kosi ba bia ye de adu ye wie ye so wa ho ba bia ye de ba wie e fa wo ho entinka wo de wani kire difo dwumade na se a na wanya ho adaje se ne wanya ye nua ba ne ho adaje afede onipa otene ba bia ne honam na hwane wa he o wiase aye ba ye kra ye de hwan ka wo dan ye sai difo na so dwumade ne ne ehia e ba so da be
kuma se de no ba so kwasiada kwasiada we ya na me tenase ukuada hona zi e o bantoma na ma ye one on one counselor me pese be hiawo na me hu de ntia wo so nyame wo bre be ka wasam kire me me tenase be 10-15 minutes na se nyame wo bibia onyin kire wo ene start ukuada no pa be ne ya wada kosi fiada na se kwasiada ma start ene ne so abewa so no eye nkran do me ene ya me hwe nkrofo do me ene o chena eye benada be hwe nkrofo so ewo do me enti obi amra ma me kira da ma nipa nyi achinyi ma nipa nyi achinyi kora ma me kansen bi na nsen ya kuma se wo henkese na santan ne wo ye adwuretwa no wo ye akoside no ababa obi wo so ame okobi onnam wo kama do hu ya na se woduru nkokọ
o sei
wo hu ya se bibia sini so budin shota no nkokọ
wo firi ayi
wo firi ahimfie menhia ho no
ene wadu nkokọ
bibia sini so odwomo wo tiesma yesu su no
atwam kono ngwadu
nkokọ be pono so ye fe atia ene ne be 1 month eno mu de ne bre me na wo de sidie bia bo ne tirim na opesidie na sempa eno wa dry ne tin de na aba na moye no ena wo bre chese what seems ontumi na bibi hye ne mu wakwa so ache we sim tres opon ade o wakas bibri but wakwa himfie na ni ba so no won kokọ epom ho right now yeah metimi no mama no afre no wabisa no eti be 1 month ni no mo de ba say no na wo bre sa na wonim me bo sedie no sedie na abubo ne tirim no ono na call market kotoye and the bonity but I think say bibi the lead you know e ma kotoye na me deploy o me Facebook am deploy me bo ade no a o come to said the kana be hye mu.
Wow.
Yeah, e comfort dey me di agro
aya na fashion. Aya na me go life.
Say devil na fashion.
Okay.
So, it's the devil no and what is hand man ba. If you make catch say me say we share with for Joshua. Me mfa ne man niago because soon ne man e dey panyini.
Oh. Well, odifo Joshua na me ne din komo yi. Difo so ho adaje o won kran ha de toane no do asantemanta mo so na won potem ho a na wato anu panisi edidi kwan wa wo watifi do mantem kra na wo hawo no. For my number.
But that's the program here kwasiara na starting kuma say ukara na me starting komodi na ye 21 days to be weird here my block me you say we a chance we na ma me chadam from say me mara and then we na say
every pan
they mo kan form one ne wo chena but for me number na very important.
Okay.
Aso no do me ho na metena ne me number no ye 05550 let's say 5 for me ensa 05550 28272 05550 28272. It's a prophet Joshua number. Commercial sorry no patch 34 nim say a risk cost. Nyamia ya don we ye free risk cost. Ye wo Bantuma market no. In sora kese miensa na yesaso. Number 1 e Methodist e di kan. De etoso e Pentecost. De etoso miensa e Bread of Life. Ye nyina wo street ne so. Wo femi de ansa na kwa Church of Christ e wo Bantuma North. Me da se bebre. Shiam ho ene kan de e odome. Frɛ me na ma wo shiam no pay ne wo chena. Ne ni nkomo class so. God bless you.
Yeah, that's it. Nyamisha on so enti wasam no obetime dey for Facebook ne sabeka. Aya friend no so na ni nkomo. Afen so nya adaje ne ko share no fi se utimi nya adaje e bibia opese wo ye including kokonsa de a nya adaje e ma wabrabo na nya de ahire nyina na eska okosa ade bia wo mote bibia wo mote odi form pacho yeah that's it
nyamisha
amen mene odifo adi nkomo no wie na de edu so no eye mene low price masters sa me kan yi wakai wom Mr. Otwemi me ba na edi nkomo yeah that's it so wa share your video me kai wo say abrabia wo hwe sa video yi wo YouTube no wo hu adoma na eda so no aye mi aso umi aso wi a chese abrabia obenya kwanya na video bia ye de beto ha no watumi ahwe ne watro say wo so no so ayamia sene ebeya unua bi nso benya bi ahwe abre bia wo ye ne sa video bia ye de beto ha no ubenya bi ahwe medase. Well, Sober TV sakite ho baye ha so be sinema so baye de a low price masters na low price masters na Cratch ye de ne ho agimu na che se we nya calibus said ya na no ye calibus no bio and you are still calibus
Edi what's a sakra yes na da sutu ya
na no kwan bia o fa so ka say why
medai afia betwe
me did say do ho ko ball low price masters no say why anya dey
me ni ngwati asem
me dey on akan me man kan
Bibia daddy.
O she.
Bibia daddy.
Uye bibia kama.
Sana why chepe.
Me da sepa. Enti said the aboa we ene ye nche.
Yo eja. Semne me ba ha da no na be kan ye no. Na edumakuo na sa tenase adwen ho se oh. Yemfa de foforo nsambra amanfo.
Okay.
Anidin the Creative Electronics.
I see.
Yes.
Creative Electronics. Creative Electronics.
Wow, Shedina. TC and the Creative Electronics na a online marketing platform.
Oh, okay.
Tia hono oko ekotoniema online so. No matter sad that dream when say cash and carry system enye free Ghana that's why.
No cre.
When here pa so here TV bia na here free GB. Be say fa me konem mo no ni ntimi nkoto bi.
Yes.
Into almost say ko platform so. Just log on www.creativeelectronics.com.
Okay.
Na koto bibia opeso to.
Unkreska.
Ya bi.
Ahobo anson ye.
Enson ye.
Na che se uko free. Yes. Ayedi free. Ewo online so.
www.creativeelectronics.com.
Isa.
Te ho no say you pick now, you pay less, you pay later. Pay less be crash on. This pay less no. For discount.
Do to me call free near about 1,000 cedis. Ewo sa www ho no. No at 1,000 at all.
That be just wako free no. You see I need this time na wo ho no. Umetu ya ni easier. Ubetu ya ne within 1 to 3 years. Shocking. Yes, 1 to 3 years. You'll be affiliated with a bank. As low as 30 Ghana cedis.
Intimi fan say me wodan fofra me komua. Metimi kosa bia ye koto bibia me hia ofie ho. Na me the 3 years atua.
Etua. Enkakran sa pressure bie no. Tia so pekene ne
abroche system.
Na
mo de abagana.
Yeah, the abagana. It is all for government workers, private workers, I mean civil workers, everybody.
If you neko utie Calibos anope ya jai adwumam sika wia. Ne jai SCC ne jai mi wo meeting my business mi wo meeting wanya smart asem. Calibos, I'm for the smart, me smart, some money are almost di boom for John Sika because of a so nya de obey here. Into where Bama was.
Jai now the platform.
3 good years.
3 good years. And also we cry yes, Achawadiaka. Yes, what of Freja, Jayon. What Unkunya, Jedoma.
Moto Unkunya so.
Inkunya empa. Just Ode Dionya single room self-contained. Nyeme wo ni na obenya our platforms.
I see.
Bobo kra, eraser kra.
Me dey abom so.
Ye wi ya sade akoche free. Ye dey kujao free.
Mo am deliver. Ntime say baby am tea. Ekeka kwa puwe mantem ho no.
Na mo dey abrem kra na bongo son kra ye beko.
Number no the go screen so. 0504 323 0000 050 395 7693. The empesa otiase ne say esa ofa number nentem na etumi boa because Calibos no crese ade achi anopai ebi bufa so saa se na be ya obenya niema ohia within a week, within a month, within a short period. But so be the be through enfie miensa na sa enfie miensa na niema obeto niema dodo sen ese otimi to niema dodo sen o saa online ho no
niema bia o pato.
It me pe fridge back up ekra enfie miensa.
Yes, nye me be a part of.
Me pa konwa say de si me ho no mo no enfie miensa.
So say ebi mo ho mo mpe eka de bebresa. Enti na say from 1 year to 3 years. Enti wo sha e bia say 1 year no ubetimi di papa etuye you say free ho a e wo ma.
Okay.
Say 2 years now pa, but the maximum is 3 years. At 3 years in credit just na change government kra ya.
Ko free ne mama yesi modem a I say yaba ayi the way we prefer to say Dubai for king.
Sheikh one say me wofa.
Wofa.
And na man she me jala bia ntia. Wofa. O hwe a yasunte ma separate no. Say o mu tie ya mo mefa me nko. Na. Nko di ade.
Me ma ka fra. And she dey say wofa free. So the me person me try to say ye wo ebinom wo ho a wo mo ahyeda e de eka esiesie wo mo ho a eka eda wo mo so no wona wokọ bia hu se efe na so eka eda ne so no nyasem ketwa ma be ye free ho mama nipa ho ato no so online ne
www.creativeelectronics.com
na woto ani asa achew
ye chew ye
di free wonya na echi no
ane
o se moto de nkonwa na de
ye ton TV from TV to fridge from fridge to nkonya from nkonya to mpa from mpa to wardrobe
moto mpanzo
sempa no hia mattress so wo ho pillow wo ho just bibia e fa dem ho ne ma any home appliances bia so be no aduane ai kuka wo ho sa kuka no so to ye tomato ya sa che won chance
and did that screen so
yema bebre
enti on say obi wo ho a what da say eyere no bi wo ho so mo kun mu ni aduane ade ache so
ane
what
pa
enti de bia say oye aduane
de bia wo so no
enti mema no a mommoa ma wo jade so mo ye nhye so no ene nka afa ahokoto obi ma no a no aye ne tentem anamboa
mema bi fira ka ho
obetu
abi watumi rent mu ntime say na pre na chese anya ye de no ho agim
Calibos Fiera tie hey. But on the more serious note, the patron is saying ekunu bi wo ha o se oni aduane ade acheso etide bia na yiri giregade o to blender ne ho ahwan ma na nka ne ho aye ha so owie kura san ahwe nkola ne bi so ha kwan omo fa so di agro depending on baby omo te no omo hotimi ye fia ma ubesi ne ma ne be wie no no hu se meti aware ase na mebre unya washing machine ma no a na nka ne ho aye
we ne entra wo se betua anse dia ma wo yes pick now nti ukọ ya oni omo kasa e wo net internet no so unya number omno be nkita hundie no material processes ni bibia no apekine ni mo
na calibers obi wo ha wo ho de ye kan onya ya nkope but ekwan ya obefa so a say ye ni phone o say computer de be cause www no oni sa nim de no sebi obi wo ha oni mu ye enso na nko ohia eno mo ye ne sen
tie no nti na number no wodwa no tie no dey very simple ofra no no wa kwanhihye ni mu but procedures won say enkan diaspora for menka omo tete ama no na timuze o ma meze ni fridge ase yo ne den ne ase unti ho no wa just log on abefo tetre de
enya fe na me shape medu ya bra na sa tro
te no boy ya ma me so peden o so pe fridge o check fridge no wa hwe payment plan de o peso ye no aye enimu ani akọ deliver ye den ama ma me tiano no ma me kwa be fe
say habo ho no eyi we ne koso
ai ene koso
eyi kokora ha kotua ha kogina ha no we ne be ba ho snanka oto ne he ya ka drufie dadada
ai na se ya me kra wig na de ma awon fe patri se we isakura
achi wono wo se wig da
we isakura achi nti no ama blade bo akoso tinanka on sha wig na blade na emra from kakra na memu enso yenye bi ya bodwe tino eno me kokra na duty ne yamo
onu ho se wa ma na mo ne sakura duty ene ya ho fe patri ye da se wa ma bread ho aye de ama breads wo krom ha no say but the person ye chiro no say ohia ene ma bi sa wo fia akwanya na beda ha ma sika kakra bi baby obia wo bia e wo Ghana ha bia
ena ehun hia se wo akra ena wo da online so a ajo ba akra da bi omon krabata ne de bebre apete Ghana ani na most all the regions sa pepe all the regions ko Navrongo Kowanwa all the regions e bi wo ho nti no baby a wo pese e deliver ko no na chese ko de akọ intentem
Mr. Ofa numbers no bio 0504 323 000 and 0503 957693 free na etumi mu a na ma asetena mu so enye mere ema na wa chesi sika nam kwati kwa so saa because also pese efie eye kama jaisayo ne ko ho ne nya bibia na efie
bom kokko ni bio ko sade na nya bebre na udi peso na wo fa ho na ya bi sisi asa wo fa ho didi sika ewie sika nketen bi akoto free a esi jai
ya de be firu efie afede ko si mfie miensa
ya de be firu
Calibos ya daswa
ya misha
at ya daspa ebusia mene Calibos ye say o se we jai nkwase asem die because of the no akobo low price masters digital online atade no asi ne kama o mama na ayo so awato so de tihwe why guy ye that's why misha abusia ma wie o ma hene kwabna sante me abejafo ebeba na emumu no Kennedy digital satellite for enso wo ho etimi patcho twen me basisia antisapoma ho ba antisapoma me moache antisapoma ya de pa because antisapoma TV so eyi black and white ne bi no ehona na mehwe gift anti nom akushka akwe Loretta Vanderpoy nom na mehwe wo mpa eyi antisapoma TV so black and white kiskiti ne bi so wanware a wonko ho da maami ba ku bi so kra ba ye no wono age so de ejakọ ejao age so de ejakọ asa no akonya ne TV ni bia hwe ehyanka nyame se ewiase gusu konanim ebinom omunya omo capital no omama ewiase asetena ayede asese sa ne ma ne nyina he na anokra ayi Kennedy digital satellite se obeto air condition ne asa ache fan kra ka ho me bom pa ese nyame nche miska na me nkoto air condition nche masore ayen to fan ka ho ne ya brand collection to anam seden pacho machine
yeah
anambwa kwa mo say bie nyuma fufu machine ne de ya maburo ne da no so mo de ya mako nyina aba
bibia na aburo di
unemployment association ku no frim ebi no mo ne menya adwen ya so wa wie university na wonya adwuma nyeye but me gidi say ya pa so say paper no won ne da dem na sorry na wada say ma wie university tie ha brother boy enkomo a
ba me da se na ma chia Ghana for asema waka we ho na me dwendwen ade bi ho ena mu say eniema ye pe wasase yiso certificate nkwa na ade awu a obi ntumi mfa enyusi say wata ade de odo obetumi akobobo ho ahye
nokure
ba wu a o degree no yemfa nye bibia enti ade enti na wote ho say makoje A4 sheet a certificate me mfa nye adwuma
also crowd the different description about A4 sheet
A4 sheet
dem stamp tare so na da dem na ekomodewo so adwebo ne ba otirimo
yes mesre youth na about these days no yentu ye hofo ni nyina ne say aman a di kan wo wi ase no almost start so mo di omo nsa ye bibi on twen so obi nye bibi mfa mre no enu ti na Kennedy digital satellite yaba obi beka say ke dey see e ton ye ne nyamfa so na de ni da obosi anfo mi adwuma ne ye hu ni say krowe mu no ade ba ko high unemployment say de bia won ka no na ekwan ye be fa so a ye nso ye betumi aboa ama niema ye ni say ye hwe ye gusu a ye hwe ya setena mu Ghana ha niema ye betumi e de aba asa niema ne ba ye be boa setena every day
okay
ebi ni fufu machine e kofa ba ya sesei me no ka say amanfo bebre so usua ye bi eno so create another employment eno achi omo e toye de no nso no omo so di create employment nti Nyankopon ye da na sese owura Kennedy enu asada ye so we kofa ba ye fufu machine hu asem a ye ka no ye ka ai bia obeka se ye dwe num keke nye sa wo bi every day a day wanya sika nto ho kra nye 200 cedis so every day unya 200 cedis na every day we di 100 never 100 to ho so me why so me what 3000 cedis eno no tax free obi amaju ska obi metu hwe wa wo dia obi na kan say obo obra yi ya on techada ne senate ni asem net pension enti mesre ene na we babunu no bible na ka se kai obofo omranti ndwendwe ho fa bra wasetenam ene na obetime ya adwuma ene na obetime asie ska ene na obetime di sika to ho na se de be ada chia brabo ne be mre amount ji number yi na free ba bia wo Ghana ye de fufu machine bi bebro number ne 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 and 0244 3851 28 0244 385128 number we free ba bia wo Accra tema ana se Ghana ba bia no ye be deliver nyoma no de amount fufu pounding machine no me de bia meka me se utobi na wuni ba bia odi besimpo a odi e sheda monitor ne hu choba bia o customers pa a dare da amount for ta betena ho twen fufu adi okwa na ne maame na kasa o mama hwe e dey se onu ada asem ba ko ana onu ada asem mienu o customers so timi betena ha aduane na mantem kire ne die nti a fufu machine hu won fa so no aka kire no afi onu ate obehu se ampa o pese obo anu na adwuma no konkan first na fufu ne ben 12 as say obe move akona nim e be boten na fufu na ben because yenya di sija so die hia sa ben ye be yam sisi ama fufu na ben na ye de ye abobo so ne yakua nim unim se sisi kura nso no abrabo aye boyi ye trans se ye twen akoya adwuma de ansa na wanya sika ati ase first ne ye wo fufu manfo fisiri mbe fufu pam say umu nyina ajayi obi akona nim to fufu pounding machine bi number ne 0243 074 750 and 0244 385128 we your number of friend baby bia ye de bebro ye wo de use fuel and ye wo de use light enti baby a wo bia we problem e mako machine nso ne ye nie mo am ye choba mo am ye restaurant mo am ton awache mo ton amo ton dokono ya mo no ya mo ta ya mako bebiri mo bre yam anyon to sini je ni akakaduro no mo ya na mo bre mesrew obi anto baako emfansiri fie ebo ne nyedin oto a wadwuma bekoso dare amount time bia first no na obey sori anu aduane age sori ahomachi 2 am say machine nti wo sori 5 kra utimi ya mo ne o ma pa na fe aduane no bia na ebin Kennedy edase Kennedy se friend se CA awo 0244 385128 and 0243
074750 e number wo frɛ ya ba bia de bebro wo Accra ha wo Tema wo Eastern region wo Central region Western region na wo pay shops ni bia your shop kɛseɛ wager old barrier wo free eko kaso akwantempon so udu ba bia e frɛ sɛ kokro bite junction so ahwɛ opposite ho ene yebutuo afemu amu fi tamale wa aboko esane basunya ne techiman ne brekum mo bakum ase no ubeduru adumu a your family plaza brosan nim uduru adumu a o se udie bisa kwada se hefa na family plaza abrosan ne wo o kire opa kwa first floor Kennedy ye wo honom na bra ne nidwa na ye mom ne ma papa kuma se kro na so ko ba bi e fro patase ye wo police depot udie ubisa se patase police depot no wai uduru honom a bisa Adom house e also first floor ubehu yen na ya ni adi eye eskasubom ama bibia aye kama abro machine yakofa commercial abro machine e de aba enkan no ene maame mo soma ye me ekonika dem eno udi abro no a ya don no kosi ho a age ebia 3 days 4 days ansa na machine wura wa be yam because ospark ade ne ba ako a on person machine no bedundum no to age so otwen ama abro be de ho aba sesei na wo so oje dia ye odokno oje aye mori atete aton oje enso dia ye okuku nanso na afidie wura ni kanika wura age wai misro ye the commercial brew machine bi aba wo wuni adwumaye wo de betobi fa kosi baabi krom ha aduane edi kese pa ya brew aduane eni fufuo misro pa bo modern to brew machine bi mo amoye kenke bi bre ton won kran ha akra de kenke ye di pa mo amoye kenke ton obi anye ne de number ne 0244 385128 0244385128 afi wo awuni adwuma ba akoso aba unso ukodwemu a ye oba bi etontos ene oba bi etomako eton jeni ni ade ya ebo awia be se 2 3 ho kona ubunso mo ya wache mo ye dokono ni ade no maba omo betontos omo beto ade akofie na ade chom de ya adwuma mene wan ka meto makoma shini bi de akosi saa bia ye ho oto ya na ye hwene ni je ni ho ma kekedo ni hwene ho wa akra timeje na wa pa manfo no musu hwane na musu nya kakra to mbotom no wayam oyam wi a wo de aguru aba mu akekere ano wo de ama na wo de kofie save omre ho abrabo no enye adwumaden na masika adwen ne smartness enu nti na Kennedy digital satellite yakofa makoma machine e de aba restaurant ra Mr. Ojibi wate ma wadwuma no enko nanim saa pepepe wonso so a wawie school a o maame ye dokono ton entena asese wo kope adwuma ya botai kache Mr. koto abro machine na no maame mfanya adwuma na bibia enye kama ye number no e 0244 385128 and 0243 074750 afi eba no home appliances niema dear sister especially kitchen ho any uni problem oba emre uye aduane a obrebre na twam ka kire daddy anase wa daddy Mr. ko Kennedy sisi a ko tonium microwave deep freezers afi fridge CB double door ni nyina bi ho upe eye kettle upe my sani manema na iron no ne nyima nketenkete ni nyina bi ho ye di TV surunku bi aba eye Kennedy TV KDS TV uko market efu chen TV bia air condition ni de say de wo kan buy one get one silver fan free ene ma ne doso we are buying adwumani a wo dia ne so the face slip
nya ban adwumafu am
nya ban adwumani so a wo de bra be kire se mi pewi ene ma ne bo no ya ma twetwa kakaka wo inflation kan yetuma enkan na so a wa besesa wo ne ma ko
well yakade ya chiro na ye Ghana fo e wo ho compound house bia fufudifo wo enti wo fie ho no akora compound house wona efie ne kwan na no ho a wanya adwuma ye susuda obi akoba ye kwa ba o omoba na kire onso pie ne ko ne betie obi bi na onso bi so obi se kire ni bi well ye wa sopa no ontie nkomopai na sha ase se obe ye bibi di ama ho ye da se Kennedy fonso ye da mase wa se ma dwen Ghana fo ho na ma manfo enya enyumaye enti abusia ye de asi wa ha wo afisem so na honorable Niamadon kwasem no a Kanema Penny Rollins the late wu ya oba ha o kan no asem no yam de dodo ebi na Kennedy for the year jimes ba akofo didi mi a abonten nye nika Kennedy nya na sika no no kwan na busuafo di ya ka wonya dwuma anye kotobi na nya dwuma ya me no wadi nkomo awie enti me sa kasi so bi say obaakofo didi mi a abonten ye nika ye mmoboa ye ho na obi ansa nso ne ho obi ani amre obi a me den de ma mechira Diamond from Lady D. Good morning.
Tawa say wa hwe video ami gidi say wo hwe video wani anche die me pese wo ye ne say o hu adoma ne da fa won se teams na subscribe wo subscribe ya video bia e betu go bia wo benya kwanya na wo so wati mi ahwe enye no kuma like na share die me pese wo ye ne say sign fa won se team share ni so na wo hu ye bi so enye bi na won so fa mo bi na e kom na ye koye ni.
Well, Asaba, my mention will be a Diamond chair, so I say, Nana Kobo, and run our in the birthday. Nana Kobo, happy belated one to your wife at 40. Nana, Ushu Penshu, na presenting to the latest Range Rover, or the my wifey at 40. Wifey, Ukunu do, until Nana Kobo, good morning. Back to the Ahafo pledge, intimacy, MRF. Me now do dia shahono me Rapti me Alex Zeboam me Alice Kopi me Achenso Hema Papebi me Educhumwa Mosa Papebi na o the foundation hosa me Yakubu Chipsa Papebi me Shebo said the ya for shisha ebia remedi so ba bibia ti makokama edi amame wo wie sa aboshe we a kire say definitely there obedi Ghana shisha so na. Be a proud Ahafonian and be a proud Ghanaian. Very, very important. A proud Ahafonian and a proud Ghanaian. Na bibi ntimi kwa kama enfama. Benfo atrase menka o se oba Bernard NMPC okasama NDC amanyuko no watrase sanso na a potential national organizer for the ruling New Patriotic Party. Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Glover and so Atnasi. And for Mamuna Akwaba na Masa Adam was a say Majibra. Oda enim bibi aboko ada ukuta book na mo green book no
na be den na makwaja.
You still believe in the green book?
Nema ekoso amemo no prepring. Ama book near so relevant.
Most will be to be cross actually. You still believe in the green book?
Amani. Wonye akuntabu ni wa. Se oje akuntabu ni. Nti so de adwuma ma abang so nyema na odo sika nya ka homa so onye panye bi. Na wantimi emu nkunta na ode kogu ba bi so kona ko chin ba bi of clouds and so akore. What is this? And this ya memo de. Yeje nkuntabu di. Yeje pepper yedi. Nti o se mbibi ayeye no. Yede to nkrata so. Ochina bi nchirima ba no obefa odumuzo o wampa. Adi wakane se hu no kwari ni adanse hu ni tete
okay
nti yende yekuta green book ru bible fi ho no ma NDC green book no ya de a yenkonya ho
okay
kai yen amamu bi President Mahama be bui di no kwari bu hu konta kire Ghana.
I see ni kwatai Titus Glover
komo bebre ho nti ni green book na nen
governor ma hu se o from north to south to east to west. Oko atifi na wako atoye na wako apuye na wako mfini na wanamusa all in your bid to become the next national organizer for the New Patriotic Party. Is that the case?
Ramidasi, Maminche was chauffeuring in the pay. And your hard working team at the background was success lies in the hands of this great team.
Exactly.
And your producer, Modiye Jumai. For the past 1 month, menya kwai emba show no so. Sana okane no kre. Machimpa mako 14 out of the 16 regions.
Wow.
A total of 189 constituencies. From Techima North and South, Nkoranza North and South, Kintampo North and South, Sene East and West, Pru East and West, Atebuwa Manting, 11. Makor Northern region, from Pandai to Willensi to Bimbila to Yendi to Gushegu to Karaga to Nantong to Myong to Sabalugu Kombungu, Tolong, Tamale North, Tamale Central, Tamale South, Sanarugu, now I call Zabzugu, Tatale, and the Sabuba. 18. Me say me boy, me born in na ite na nisisia. The relationship me person me here, the reason me here and say, I want to identify myself and what challenges in these constituencies. Say nyame adom no de mami na me kwa, them say issues any problems so on. Sanitary. We can't sit in Accra here now I say break the 8. It is not mere sloganeering. It needs hard work, sacrifices, and a Juma commitment to do the work on the ground. It's a purely retail campaign, grassroots. And the Nyamiadum Akabi 2, Greater Accra, and Ashanti region. And in no time, no, I'll touch base.
Okay.
And to assure, because as a national organizer, there are 2-3 key functions that will say we are. With due to Nigeria, you mobilize the numbers for the party. You mobilize numbers for the party. There has to be also how you can train party officers and activists for project election 2024 resource allocation, because Uko Bebiti say a Western region, a constituency like Memphis Central, I'm not a supapa. Me call me fra Kumasi, and I make the far Dunkwa on the fin and Upper Dentra East, Dunkofin, and I'm call Upper Dentra West, Diaso. That's the northern part of the central region. And they say, we are western north, so it should be beginning. We are also. We are Bia East, Bia West, Draboso, Bodi, Akontombra. No one be yet that there's so swamai. Now I are a wing. Now we go western region. From na me free swama that there's so ediko enchi. We share Koko Road a year honor. We sit in Accra, MPP, we are not telling us sorry. What was a green book? Wait. The among your grandma captured their shay. Muko share panya yet it was such area ho. Now would you bad touch on the thing that dear so swamai. I said, wow, wakufado. And the winyama wenya a coso, it was see a kayasam. And the baby me do be on me for them trap. Then I share it with the public to let people know that the damn wakufada buying any makuta onaba makwata eyo. So clearly we have a nice story to tell. Kasapa means na enkase enyama was in one corner. Of course there are challenges. But the Dranko Kufado, a Quembia or Faswa, Yadibe Chichero Mino, I'm a Ghana for a water. Yabuso, I hear you. And your green bookie, Namunia Grawuay, now the brother and another campaign. Your mama say, or ticket no da. You remember how much I'm sorry to say Luflo, Luflo, Anuma, not your mama no, I look at was Rona or Namsuna or Papa. Was you a coin? Who go for green book go out of your gaming?
But there's an interesting report, meaning how we also Uko grounds. I'm seeing the new Crusading guy reporting about the MPP internal elections, a free Yakutu, people winning. But Chronicle, they were breaking it down more with an interesting breakdown, I would say, observations of an independent researcher on MPP internal elections. And he does the write-up and brings a breakdown here. If I go to the table, it's specific to the Savannah region. And he says that pending the outcome of Yendi, Savlugu, and Nanton constituency. So the candidate is Dr. Uswe Efriakutu, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Alan Kojo-Chemantin, Mr. Boache Jako. Number of positions for Dr. Uswe Efriakutu 64, Dr. Baumia 39, Alan Chemantin 30, Mr. Boache Jako 17. Total number of positions 150. 150, and then the percentage. If you look at the percentage, Dr. Uswe Efriakutu 42%, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 26%, Honorable Alan Chemantin 20%, Honorable Boache Jako 12%. This is specifically for the Savannah region. And I'm wondering why what we hear in the papers and what we read, no. It's not what the people who are going to vote.
First of all, I was here about elections in our Koswam, from the polling station through coordinators, then to the constituencies. And be a nomination for the regional elections. I think and then the last day they pick a form no. That I think a day or two after no, I was here submitted, then they go through vetting. So we need to commend the process where maybe you do say now research we need to know what has gone into the research. Who commissioned the research? You need to know who commissioned that research to be done. Now, I don't know the kind of people that they spoke to because we call Savannah region, it's 7 constituencies. You have Solatuna Kaba, Bole Bamboy, or Damango, or Daboya Makango, or Yape Kusugu, or Salaga North and Salaga South. 7 constituencies in these constituencies. Now, we multiply each constituency executive is 17 by 7, I'm 119. Regional executives have been 17. And would come remember 136.
Okay, 136.
136.
Okay, so
delegates from Savannah region.
Okay,
which is 7 constituencies executives and 17 of the
I think what they have done. Who will say? Ebia Tema East about to say Tema was what now Tema
no East.
It be point to say we are titles nipa. We Mao background. First of all, we need to establish the number of delegates that are coming from the Savannah region. For the region.
7
very,
constituencies.
very important.
7 constituencies. Multiply by 7 executives. Among 119. Then the regional executive after na year kotwaba no. The only 70 become 119 no. Among 136.
Okay.
So this is what is coming as delegates from Savannah region. Now, say ano yemfa ne say yi region in film. Ya two abanu fufuro e wo constituency no. So who and who no ne kasa. So the region Nigeria why who
Mami Musa
Famfan you never
Mami Musa say mo koto abana. Say wo
yeah.
Apart from say wo call for no lobbying.
Oh no, you
so
can
you
see.
know your people.
You know your people.
So you can decide.
You can decide say
okay, in this region I can get.
Oh yes.
That's possible.
Oh yeah, it's possible. Because you have teams, you are your coordinators or managing each constituency.
So I think that is what they've done with this one.
Oh, okay.
So this is the Akoto people, this is the Baumia people. But I don't know,
Eka. You can identify what to do. But the final result is when the ballot is cast.
It's not about your people, no.
But the main part is that Obia ewo do ojina na nemu ewo every constituency. Every region or coordinate Ediamano.
But if you go by this, will you be surprised that in the Savannah region is ahead?
It is too early.
It's too early.
I want to speak for myself.
It's too early. Because even with what you have seen, Wankasa Okokwan is too early to make conclusions.
I can speak for myself because the feedback that is coming
is good.
Juma Maya, because no national officer has visited these constituencies for the past 4 years. No national officer, one from the chairman right down. No national officer. I work 189 constituencies.
Are you?
I'm telling you. They tell me nobody has been here. Nobody has been here.
You trust their word?
You are the only person who has come here to identify with us what really we are going through and how we can prosecute Agenda 2024.
See.
And the way you know, Obia, I want to do a womb. But
I want to person
because where you mama, where you mama, sister is you mama, I'm a PCA, and to be a one dear woman. Interesting. So at the end of the day, no, the coach, you know, your friend of Fabio Capello. You're yet training Monday to Friday. Now, of Fred Campa, of Fred say 20 players. Now, you're about 1 o'clock, you call lunch bar. Now, you're camping place na Afenya youth leadership. Udi Afenya Kuma. There's a youth leadership. First na commandos for na moda. Na walani justice na 1 to 50 na was in the pant na dey go. Okita event is saying players needing event yaw. By the end man Italian coach Fabio Capello. Or say ejiwuza be bar. Bonenja why you train on the former just in the comfort ya obet bache. So why him say form?
Yeah.
Say first 11, 15. Who can one? Obi in position obo. Just go and pick it.
Just go. Because
what you woody and the research ojini alajana.
Yeah.
And the blue.
Yeah.
That's the
An economist, Patrick Asuming, has questioned the purported effectiveness of the Akufo-Addo administration's flagship programs like the planting for food and jobs amid the current increase in the cost of living in Ghana. Speaking on the big issue, on CTFM, Dr. Sumi said the government needed to confront the flaws in these programs. And I quote him, "We have to admit that the flagship programs that were supposed to address the issues with the currency and the issue with programs that were supposed to address the issues with over-dependence on imports and would have mitigated the impact of the current external programs haven't worked as they should have worked." Dr. Sumin singled out the lack of outcomes in the agriculture sector as an example. Ghana is currently contending with the highest inflation since 2009. The Ghana Statistical Service pegged inflation at 23.6% and said it was mainly driven by food, which accounts for 50% of inflation in the last month. Cereal products have gone up by 31.5%, while live animals and meat have gone up by 28.1%, despite policies like planting for food and jobs and rearing for food and jobs. When you have done this planting for food and jobs for 5 years and you are still exporting grains, you can't have one village, one dam for several years, and in one season, when the rainfall patterns shift a little, farmers are complaining, and we are seeing the effects, Dr. Sumin said. Okay, so I think a great minister Nayaka Swabon Savannah, and this is the issue also popping up. Mamin Shasi, PSC, you know, how do we associate or disassociate with the economist Asema Oken? The times are tough. We should admit that MPP flagship programs, no, occur further to mention specific programs like planting for food and jobs, rearing for whatever. What's happening? What's your latest knowledge about that?
I know that. Now, my main fact so now, minchi arefo, and main fact was about the summer when they were paying for. Mo hiji me di so. Sankomo ye nkomo a ye mu bi no wa ye kasa ma NDC no. Ye sha se bo aban kokko e wo ho ache papa. Say enye slogan na wadi buman. Eto de bia na wama propaganda na ba form kakra. Na wa ye nia manfo betimi ho esom edi ho adanse. Won say obisa me bi fa green book yi. And honorable Titus Global so ne me bo hokra na any green book dum. And so NDC for the shame. Okay, green book no ma bibia eni ho a ewo mu a be ka say eni ho. As a brand near ye green book no. Ne me bo ho no ma na ye ongoing. E bo ho no ma na efe na ya hye bi nso ase. Be pem say 2016 ba na ewie no. Answer President Mahama be fi akonwa so no na ye be ka say why ye move over 90%. Ebi woman no ne kofare by any planting for food and jobs. I'm saying nyina nim say President Mahama enya facility bi fi Canada. Na sa brinu mu no vision na President Mahama wo fa yen agriculture ho. De bia me kan say one kan keka and ka ode to obo ogro ni yirin so abonwom e ka obia ho asem ka ozo ware da enye nom no odi buman yebu man a wo de fi ba kwansa wakwa bi wo pese home agriculture e kosra na e wo kwansa wo de befa so President Mahama ye say ye nhwe say betima modernize agriculture ewo yengma mu ha yemra nia yedi de biaso ada President Mahama 2016 na ye nya sika be fika na asem di kankan no na edinga eda sika no so na epese de ne maple modernizing agriculture production in the local economy enti nanka ye be hwese ye de mfiri juma mfiri ahorowa ye betime de aye agri hunyuma beba sika no ye intime unutilize it because of the election. After election no na that about $360 million be. I stand to be corrected. Menya figure ni ekra. It's around that figure. Nti yemi anu men people by na no pese oye ne say one pending for from fan kan na enye say won so onjuma oba bedinin. O man no nim ku ya. Ade di kan say ultimate focus on. Say ye betimi produce all year round irrigation and ameboa. nti no de enye rain fed nsu nto ansa enye nyame amba bi total control e wo kwa be fa se be water unema na so be nya wonru ni ade a wo de be hwe it is half focus na na President Mahama na dwu be ka say na breso the sika ko share about 22 million Ghana cedis ko share rice production me boy ma reduce rice importation chese na Ghana ye ben baby a e betima ka say ye self sufficient in terms of say ye be produce niema ye be di na yetimi aton enye na ye nuanom be kan keke no because what kind ye be bisa on say mo be fiase den ni aye nim say na program ne cover cereals obeka ya
5
the bro no ne atoko no mo ne ade and so sabre no nyam popon ya adum nsu toy nti brode buy yet is ye nuanom di to ho so planting for food and job na ma brode ebu to the sense agric minister ebe kan cross brode drew be 5 cities when ye kra be kan zasem de nya no kware we mizana nsa enti enya ne awode wan am ka keke no na se ne yere be kan se obekru na consult na nsa what you say enti mame mra ma se what you say enti President Mahama adaisua ye de ko iska no senka ye nuanom MPP for tria so pepepa anka ma henya ne prempren yete ha aduan bo akosoro ama na affect ne ma bebre one under President Mahama o see irrigation projects mekan wa ha no beko kanea ngo aponapon mosiaso ademra kokroko dade kope na akurobi sa projects wo ho a e dia dance as President Mahama vision and always e betimi aye agri production mana kosoro no e honen enu echi no ne e wo irrigation project wo ho no ma na ehia se ye se be renovate obeka ya ebi wo Dowenya ebi wo Akomadan ebi wo Sande Makori ebi wo Tanoso Ochireko eti na yesi kwan a ye pese ye ma yen agric production no yetimi pagya omukudi se enye se ne anka nsu anto a ye ho be kire ye nuanu ba won sa be kan sika no enne no menim de bania ebinom keka ne se sika no nsese de behwe na ye de ahwe se agric production betimi akonanim no eye kasa ekoye kasa keke se sika no wotimi de koye adwuma no so ngan mentimi nkasa ne amatete ne ye no kware se no kra na ama ebinom pese wo run for flag bearership because ebi ana won ko tukuma edo nobody knows it but menye ni papa na me ke what I say menye jedi papa se no na ma binuma hoden a wo hwe wo survey ya de betu abon tin ya agric minister who are di kan then mu what has contributed to ne sa successes no because like wo hwe this kind of ball man ho bra o man baby I wo prempren nia ededi no I expose Ghana say ye de nga no keke ene do kuya na me ke waje atumpa under President Mahama cocoa production and say kono 2017 cocoa season yet me produce over 968,000 metric tons cocoa production enya keke because abang no was happening who say cocoa necessary the fertilizer esu akwafo asen nti odema won kwa free mo fanya ne ntumpon ye nuanu me ba ozo da bi ade no kra no ye de ma mo free no kra wo san yawo akwafo kan ho mo wi akoton di nti ye beton ama enne kona ko hwese woko cocoa sector na ye nganim ko part den honorable tie last time in the initial program so last year cocoa production trial 1 million ton am say sawa ko hwe na ko mu de because President Akufo-Addo announce FOB price cocoa price no earlier into instead say kwafo de cocoa no kokoton what is here won anfanko what change new price into do next year in 2020 2021 no anko and what they buy 2021 2022 I think 2020 2021 and a man course into enya real and say we dey be esi wabo anu ya na we dey akobum because input say ko into sa sector no aban yin hwe anfanko o man ne edikan nia baby ha bedu prempren so bi bet makaso na ne o kyerän ye be fimu a aran bisa say dan ne de ba be fi so how yim enya keke won fo nga no neka I'm guess what you say.
It's a hopeless society for now.
I cannot say that.
A helpless one.
Maybe because anka wadua baako for example wo de banchi ahye fom efifi so when it does say bebo mebo
ba bibi ani ho
won fa bibi ahye fom ye
ntenda so bi ani
unless they convince me further say then pa na ya ye then the da kwan mu ye ko dum so it was a challenge and mebo but near when it does say car power ship ni bidua ye benya enough generation sa Meriba ye benya enough generation. So what I say, say G eba on board. It near him say there are other exactly so. Absolutely. It is a near money yabape, ye be film. Now kwa Greek sector, then what they are to
planting for food and
second answer. Because if you say 2017 and I'm how many years ni?
If you knew
it then ye dua na mfiasen so ye. Brode e de abosoma henebo. Kwedu e de abosoma henebebo. Ebro e de abosoma he na enyin eya ne de nga no keke ne kan sabe ye yang mrechi nkwa mpo a
okay
nsa wo sa sector obegwa ye yang mrechi nkwa a ejin ka Ghana sabri ye nyama na mozo ye mrechi kra short nyamo kra ye bi nka ye nya bi what I say enti sika no ya hyew no ye de atwa nga no kwa eya ban you and president Gufado but on dey na kasa ban you no or ye spoiled child or behave to a spoiled child abofra bi a wodi sika pu na fini mofrase into kodu secondary school no wo chine kaka bi so koje busa wona adafo no dididi into da bi obe school baba na ke da na chi no eso onim se papa ma me 5 cities na me need 2 cities na me 3 cities fancy anya ye mpo no e bia metimi atwen na ochena bi me ho chire mama ye da bi woni enne bafa ye die ni aka bia obi no kan na some say president Mahama Abresu so say na ntwi no e bia na ye twene nufusu no dodo. But under President Gufado, and then Chin Crow Wire. The Yampon ya Tunufunu Manabroso. Don't pay na President Mahamakazia, we now Manacado, Beno Berfed, ya Yamokra, on a moment we account. It's baby, I walk primping and Yakasakeko. O mine, Amamu and Yakasa. Walk or Dubai, no money idea, wo tum pono, what the baby twan, what ye baby, and a properly want to be a war primping. It's one a Casana near Kasakeke. A banga. Praying your dream home, breaking the 8. Oh, my honey, that be a make wa say, sebi you. Say, oh, Kotubi, no sumo free, murubu free, when a na a brubunis in the corner, no pound is a corner, Miss Free, ya, and I'll be here. Na say any pan, sebi, some come on, French, Yaka Jim of what didn't come in ye. Eh? That may be so has a coffee toy watchable. Fatal. What dress pa? Na mbreso so bisa say abo ahia.
Aboso.
That is where you be found wanted.
Toy.
Exactly so.
Do you know?
Aha na wasro. Na fo say we na eje. Enti ye kasai ne aban ne ye no efe na na aba eso no. Ye retwa. Wo ye bibia. Anka nye ni
aban ne dadai.
Wa dadai nga ma na broso.
Ogusu.
Ye fi ase bo ga no nkrofi wo ye nkontompofo. Nkrofi wo ye nkontompofo so ya ye adwuma passing obia.
Na alternative ne hwan?
Alternative. Most of people born near President Mahama yewa.
Alternative NDC.
Yes, sir, exactly so. Me born near President Mahama ye. And I just said, oh, vision. Now, our banga. Oh, no, sabi, what did na Bruce is getting in every ye beba ho. Na me fen chomanza. Where did na Bruce is getting in every? It was targeting Chimesica, Dachisika. No, ye japa. Ye japa. Now, because what you say? Oh, ye japa on ye japa. Because what targeted mo from enchirima ko fu na da ho eno ana wa breso tieni ye pa o na wo twa nka wo to nka kakra na wo de siese busuafi na wo de bihwe mo from ko school edu oba panyin so a nyame ma ne masa menyim se na wo ti o mare nyesa but asem kan na oba panyin so kokko mo ma yemfa nkosi awa ne enkoje ne emfi asem fantwen anu
sa na ekoso
sa pepepe na ekoso no tu no ho me na me dey bai hwe ne me ekoso ma hene enti se eyem pa body ayanyere yem pa bo
se eyem pa
se pa bo petima save Ghana obi am fi ase nya komche
yenkoso ni kwate
ko me da
se nkoyi
me da se pa
the future looks scary
na twi oyuota na twi
e wa don
na twi de enye oyuwa na so na twi na so obra so wa wi kan o to bo ase
okasi ohun se baby me kuma kodu no eye ntimi nya akoma no only indaleshin
Minda Bushiwa,
Okase nyina na me twetwere. Why any propaganda? Oh, please. Please. What the kind of Kasano who say Agric Minister Yedi Grass Nuclear Chatro? Oh, please. Who's Agric Minister Yedi is a nuclear chatro? Oh, don't come in. Please, don't come in. Maybe how I treat because we called Parliament 2013 and I was a deputy ranking member for the Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. We knew the performance of the agri sector and the manufacturing sector under NDC, Mills, under Mahama, my good friend, the former president. We knew your performance. And to remember, oh, please. God, like on your jekbo. Couldn't more for debate. We knew the performance of the NDC when it comes to Greek.
Negative growth in America.
Please.
There was nothing on
negative. Please, I'm talking. Don't take my time. Please.
Negative growth.
Listen, Greek, we knew your performance in this country. So don't come and sit on a high horse. Now your former show. Yes, no. Yes, I'm saying it. I said their performance in a Greek is clear. And you're trying to what can we intro on the discussion? You mentioned 3 things: exporting of grains, poor rainfall pattern.
I've given an answer to that.
He gave you an answer to that.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
You are not making the debate.
I'm sorry.
You may mention 2 important things, even when you are even doing irrigation. Irrigation, it is an irrigation. In so near tono, ye pep buffer be a piquan and so by Baswano. I made a agriculture. So if the rain is not falling, what do we do? You can conjure. You cannot conjure. There's a problem I've identified, and the whom Agric Minister because during the early days of the planting for food and jobs, grains, any cereals, and they even exported. Okay, I see exporting of grains, Nigeria, Burkina, any Mali. Yes, you're in Yadoko, and they affected for the poultry farm. So we need to put a stop.
That is potential.
Absolutely. Yema poultry farmers and more for them to go and store in their warehouses. They be to make use to prepare the feed. The first year pescanty and just a baby borders, not Nigeria for the Burkina for Turning Yadokwa. So in the fact say say in so shada and top papa. And Yanizo able to free yano yes protocol. It affected us. And it just a mine on Yanu BBA. But there are issues. I work from policies or the good form. Are we in food crisis? Are we in food crisis?
No.
And now we let us not paint the picture as if Ghana is in a situation that we're even behaving like we have a famine in this country. So you be and and there do be in a nation, there are few issues and challenges that comes up. But so long as you provide solutions, we move on. And say, and now we are not in farming. So long as work is you can go and buy plantain, you can go and buy cassava, you can go and buy ingredients, and go and prepare any kind of food you want to prepare.
At a higher price.
Oh, please. So long as you you can provide and do something. What farming communities, regions, you are buying HC warehouses. I do be producing your baby, they go crown, na yasam. Now, where to store all these farm produce. And the Honorable Awakumsi, we have built warehouses.
Yeah, we say warehouse about.
Yes, we have built warehouses. In your time, you don't build any one single warehouse.
Yeah, warehouses were built.
It's all over the place.
So that one.
Me too, Kwame called the countries. I see them.
The last one was at a Jura or.
We have built them. There was one former NDC, former MP. He's an agriculturalist. A farmer. He benefited from this planting of food and jobs. He even had problem with his party. He had problem with his party. Why he went to benefit from the funny say or a large farm,
or a large farm,
maize farmer.
That he has benefited from.
Absolutely. It is not about politics. It is about it is about nation building. So we end this in now we are quening. Now, but my juma because at the end of the day, when you produce food, you are not going to do politics with the food.
It cuts across.
We give everybody. So we cannot sit here. Yeah, can't say planting for food and job has been a disaster. No, we have seen the benefits of it. And then don't forget. Mia makunta why? Look at the tomato factory, supported by Exim Bank. You see. They be able to crack tomatoes. They free Italy. They be able. Na ya catch you in feature. I will be fete. Na say you the outgrowers. Wo ho more assassin. So mundo tomatoes no mu ya. There's ready market for you. You have good price. We dey make kwafo no. Sika go boto. Me te say dua takes. Was assassin so and the take na twin so pa. And the Minister for Agric, any Minister for Lands and Forests in Kasa, Niema, Sawana Mudia takes on Kakra, they will leave some conserved land for Ediama outgrowers, so that they can feed on this factory. This is a government and the president who has a vision. Import substitution driven government. Who call Savannah region? One DYF, almost about over 102 factories has been built. Ebin Sida, me will be Savannah, rice factory. Me would be me do don't fete boron attachment the brekum. One is there. Takwa, the same and the Exim Bank, rubber factory. You see be a war. Wokok Kachi, maybe a Krono, Oti region. Yeah, by your factory. On the chips, the only chips. One is there. That is how a government you diversify, so that you can be able to conserve foreign exchange in this country. And to be and Kase,
there are no challenges.
There are no challenges. There are challenges. But as a buying and the government, policy would be but going forward, I think say grain assembly make an exportation of grains. Minister for Agriculture, they should put a stop on the export of our grains. Because the poultry farmers are crying, and the amount of feeding of expensive. Absolutely. There's a ban now. That's good. That's a good initiative. So that all the production of event is saying, Boris B is doing fantastically well. Fantastically well to make sure say will consume whatever we grow in this country.
Okay,
and so don't paint picture. And this is what Musuban Bonnie. You always want to paint negative. You always want to create impression. Say Ghana say. Please, this propaganda must stop.
Alex 24 say, please, Omayene, tell any PSA that it is due to the economic situation in the country that has made the price of everything gone up, including agricultural products. Here in Germany, prices has risen, including agri products. Does it mean that the government is not doing well? Hamburg, Germany, I said.
Okay.
So let's rest here.
Videos be brain and be grow. Say ya for François and show. Open Sepa, Adom TV, Adom FM. Ya what the mama. Me that's it.
Well, in the next 9 minutes, we are wrapping up. We appreciate you so much. Nana Kobo, once again, happy belated birthday to your wife. To Nana Kobo, Chiana Mame. Yeah, Miss Sarah Mensah. So happy birthday to you. Yaba back. Hey, Joe Mama Naka say you.
Bearman no.
Ah?
Bearman no. Oba mi krom so Bearman kasa.
I'm saying the flag bearer to be of your party Nakasa. I mean, Kasa Bearman.
Mr. Bearman kasa.
That is all the title. I don't know. Bearman Nakasa no.
Just to the bia. Only Ghana for big kasa. Na ore kora ho. Ni enim ni sa ho. But you see, let me tell you something. Ghana for anto abantia President Mahama because wanye ejuma. Dan me kan wo freeze. What to abatia because obi a promising near ma na eso eyefe China President Mahama. Obeka under President Mahama. Na revenue, yeah, the 7.5% and the common fund administration. Okay. 7.5%. And Dr. Bamian and Nekufadu, oh yeah, but every year be an constituency be $1 million equivalent. Mebwa. Until we next a bear so. And then I want to Saban. Obey, we better reduce 7.5 to 5% was a couple no. Into a net. Various
MMDCs.
Wabre. Obia unu
na ka mo man fa Japan kra meto ne nka ho asem but em mai kwa mo hyase awe attack so montiase.
Oh, na obekai say na anu ye nuanom MPP fu ya. Abre bia na wo kan say hwesoro. Na wan hwe fomansa. Obeto bom donku. Basa suban enye suban pa. Wo ye sa de gu amanyofo nyina ani mase. Wo ba parliament so pese wo de e-levy ho asem bay. Obekai say na ejapa issue eka ho. No so won atwa me da se atwa because niam am akire say eno no be ma ho kire na ade abente okay ye film o package na kama wo ba wie na enne won na ese wo fa back door e de e-levy ne ba wie ni e fe no wo don sakokromoti esi Ghana for hena no.
As we speak now, e-levy there is something like back door. They went through the process.
To us a back door.
But to the Ghanaian
to
society,
NDC a back door. To Ghana for Ghana for
it was a parliamentary
to Ghana for a back
consent
door.
And
now you see, Omahine. Yeah, America and see what Germany knows will be in Comra country. You see what Ghana here. Ghana for by na no one would so. Was I live and what be? What the far back door by no? Mention sounds in a baby. And yan this from Granite Tia. And yan people from the Tia. Now, make us in Beatro. MPC now. One Jinamun. When him say, what the merchant line, a transfer, where exam to, ampa. Konako. Me you was to Konako. When you now could get merchant lines and what they transfers conferences. I am telling you. But you better have some dacro. One, and it's what the woman. But one yes, sir. Oh, yet your man no man say you had not Ghana for. Young Huntoy name, young Quang and him. When him say window be baby. And they are utilizing it now. President Mahama some oh my name, Missy. Baby from Afghanistan. Some more business. Inti Sabusian Fino, Ubia Ba, or Tinamoko Primary School Kakra. Obeko GSS na a friend the SHS and we fi hoko no ko school oba na ebi oba kran so obeko tak radio so be tu kwan kwa no new so what I say nti e we busuan fi hena no si wo de no na nti e be du mreson na busuan pan no on nei se mo me enkoton abusuan fi e Japan mo me enkoton abusuan fi no ma you see den atrimodin ni e won hihye ne de
e manufacturing machine kasa
e won hihye ne de Ora matana medu so say do why can one say that o say ebon kan
sisa no o fe do mo
sisa ne na wen sisa ne say da chinchiri Mexico wo benya wo go royalties mu no fa ko Jessica ne na bedi I want to meet you this can be here
ni kwate
menia Ghana ne chichiri nwuran za no
yes koso wrap up in 3 minutes
yo
any PC
bra
oni Ghana for that kasa no
papa
nti woni Ghana for
woni me ameken so say yampa
woni nidi yam people no so ye buade papa
o adam makasa ti obi
na o kasa na wo di atro edi fi wonum na wo kan
e je parade na ka den
kan wonu to so na men kama sem
go royalties there
we say we say yetia ahwefo nyina le hwew we say MPP MPs merchant line.
Push me,
please. I will not, please I will not sit here for you to disgrace, embarrass and lie on members of parliament. Please
say
mintra
so piamia
kawani to something say
so piamia
please.
Enti man ka se me twatro.
Me say which me so
because on ka se me twatro. Substantiate. Which substantiate. Na me body
woman me ka. Wo body din oba be piamia. Asema na wo ka no. Say we go for merchant line.
Me say that's exactly what they are doing.
Sika di koni
majority of the MPs.
MP
Obianka say no to programs so kan.
Program pese me kasa. Mo ma me sorry na me ko e. Na mo yakwa me ma me ko na me kasa go. Wo ma no kwa na ndi no twatro gu ama bodi.
Atro be.
Na wo ti asema wo ka na yatro. Because ono kan wa ye mran. Na wo fimran na chi. Na wa ko gi e fani se den.
Na merchant line no dey ya echo.
Na wo na. Ade asa na wo pese me ka. Jaisa ono a MP no kan wa ye hye mran say ye ntiti to sa even ye fanti to no ono we film ene wakopɛ me ene odo enya tro enya no kre ene jada wo kan no
mi
jada wo kan obanyini ye wo krobo ha NDC for president Kufuor be abem wo communication service tax mukai talk tax omo ye propaganda nzaze wo fa wo phone na wo tua wa so sei na wo kasaka ne yeto
so bebeje
oh femodi ye do ta femodi
NDC abang ye ba
wo say wo ba twam wo ba say wo ba na we tax wo no cost edam ha
mo da da binum so ebinum so do ntua wo use merchant lines
wo say 110 premium insurance ye ba da na mo
ye betwam
110 put mo na e jo mama ko ka say wo ba twa efe
ye betwam
na osofo ko ka say wo di na tem undi watam
ye betwam
nhihye na da ho no because we share the contribution of domestic revenue 13% of GDP. We share ECOWAS standard is 18% of GDP. Sika ye nyina. Mo say
mponche kwa GDP.
Wo jobi gu. Loans ay ko jo amono ni ye di benyina no. Ne bu osoro do.
Kekra muti mu hu konta.
And na interest ye transo and so what. So we need to develop a way ye be gi a scanning within ourselves.
Okay.
Na se akoji to even saying tax idi aba. And no, me 1,000, me 13 cities, 70%. I have no problem paying tax on whatever I say. So long as I say you develop Kukromwa. So
they contribute to the development.
But they should be faithful to this country.